How are you all? Hi everyone. How are you doing? So, welcome to Go Classes. And today we are launching our GATE 2027 complete course. GATE CS complete course, GATE DA complete course. So, all the GATE CS and DA aspirants, are you ready to start your GATE 2027 journey? Let us know in the chat. Audio, video, volume, echo, everything is fine. Let us know. So in this session, we will tell you our course features and we will tell you many more details about the course. So this is a launch session where we are launching our course GATE 2027, GATE CSE and GATE DA. So GATE, you can attempt for GATE CSE and GATE DA both gates. Since 2-3 years they have allowed both the GATE examinations. So we will tell you about this also. So let us know if everything is fine. Okay. Yes. So everything is working good and let's start this session. I'm very excited. Our GATE 2027 journey starts today. Some students have already started. Some students will start at a later point of time. But I want to tell one thing that there is no such thing as too early for any competitive exam preparation. Whenever you think that you want to prepare for GATE 2027, immediately you should start your preparation. You should not wait for some perfect muhurat, some perfect time that I will start, after 15 days. After 15 days, I will start from 1st April, from 1st May. So you don't have to do that. You can start from 23 February. Okay. Basically, you don't have to wait for a perfect number that I will start from 25th February, 1st March, 5th March. Okay, like that. So remember, there is no such thing as too early for any competitive exam preparation. If you have already started, very good, keep going on. If you are starting at a later point of time, then immediately start, give your best and top the GATE exam. Okay. So now let's start. Sachin, you want to say something? Yes, so that is right that you don't have to wait for some perfect number, and also there are few things that some aspirant make the target that I will be finishing the course. So this is like a kind of unrealistic target that they think that I will be finishing the course in the next 3 months, 4 months, like that. So we will discuss about the realistic targets that you can plan for this year. Okay, because some of the students haven't prepared ever gate and they are preparing very first time. They do not have idea about the gate and still they think, okay, maybe because of some YouTube videos or maybe because of some social media posts, they think that okay, we can finish the gate syllabus in 4 months or 4 to 5 months. So we will talk everything about it. We will tell you about our course features also. So let's get started. One thing actually before we start. Boom. So one thing I want to tell you, you may have seen the opinion of GATE 2026 aspirants. All over the social media, people will tell you that GATE exam is becoming more and more conceptual. You can discuss it. You may have seen this, right? On various social media platforms, you can talk to GATE 2026 aspirants who attempted GATE 2026 exam. They will tell you that GATE computer science is becoming more and more conceptual. There are more number of MSQ, multiple select question, where one or more than one options can be correct. So you can see, let me tell you that as the exam becomes more conceptual, the in-depth learning will help you top the GATE exam. Surface learning, rote learning will not help you top the GATE exam. In-depth learning with complete understanding, with correct understanding, clear understanding, complete understanding, no rote learning, in-depth understanding if you have, then you can tackle any type of question, MSQ question, NET question, any tricky question, any conceptual question, easy question, hard question, moderate question, new question, old question, any type of question you will be able to crack if you have correct, clear and complete understanding. And that's the whole, I can say, recommendation of Go classes. Okay, all the students who will recommend you Go classes, they will tell you that quality platform hai. ठीक है. There can be, we will discuss some criticism of Go classes also in this session. Okay, and we will tell you how we are going to resolve those criticisms, what action we have taken to resolve those criticism. But let me tell you,
almost every student will tell you one thing, that yes, they provide quality. For the go classes, this type of feedback you definitely you may have seen. If someone is criticizing go classes, they will also tell you that yes, they provide quality, they provide in-depth learning, they provide proof, they provide intuition, all these things they will tell you. Okay, maybe there are some criticism, those we have tackled, and we will tell you how we are solving them, how we are resolving them. In this session we will tell you. In this session we will also tell you the early bird discount offer, which is only for the first 200 students. That also we will tell you. So stay with us till the end of this session, and let's know the complete features and all about go classes gate cs and gate da complete course. Okay, so we are starting the discussion of our gate da and cs 2027 complete course. This is the course launch session. Let me tell you, these are the courses that we provide. These are the complete courses that we provide. We also provide individual courses, individual subject also we provide, but these are the gate complete courses that we provide. We provide, you can see, gate cs complete course. If you are preparing for gate cs, then you can join our gate cs complete course. If you are preparing for gate da, then you can join our gate da complete course. If you are preparing for both gate cs and da, if you want to attempt the gate cs and gate da both exam, then you can enroll for go classes gate cs plus da complete course combo. So these are the three complete courses that we provide.
And also you can attempt for both of the examinations. So if you are preparing early and if you know little bit about the computer science or little bit about the da, then you can also prepare for both the examinations because there is enough time, okay, if you are preparing from now. So from last 2 3 years, gate is allowing to attempt both of the examination. You can fill form for both of the examination, which is CSE and DA, and then you can attempt for both of the examination. So there are like new experience who doesn't know about it, so that's why we are telling it that you do not need to only prepare for CSE, or you do not need to only prepare for DA. If you that is up to you, okay. Then this is determined by your goal, but gate is allowing, okay, gate authority or the gate organization committee is allowing to attempt both the examination. For example, this year gate CSE was on 8th of February, and gate da is going to happen after 2 3 days, which is on 15th of February. So many student has filled both the forms, okay.
Also remember gate cs and da, if you see their syllabus, a lot of syllabus actually overlaps. In gate da you have algorithm, data structure, dbms, linear algebra, probability, permutation, combination. All these concepts that you have in gate da, these are also in gate cs. So that is the intersection of gate cs and da syllabus. So a lot of syllabus of gate cs and gate da that overlaps. So if you are interested in preparing, if you want to prepare for both gate cs and da, then you can enroll for go classes gate cs da combo course. Otherwise, if you are dedicatedly preparing for one of them, either gate cs or da, then you can enroll in our gate cs complete course or gate da complete course. These are the complete courses that we provide. Now, before we start this session, before we tell you about the features and major changes in our gate cs and gate da complete course, let me thank you all for trusting go classes for your gate cs and da preparation. I have seen on the social media also, I have seen many students, or I can say that majority of the students, they recommend go classes for their gate cs and da preparation. So if you ask randomly, if you ask 10 people that which gate computer science course I should take, which gate da complete course should I take, then majority of them will recommend you go classes. So I want to thank all of those students who have seen our lectures on YouTube, our free courses. We provide some complete courses for free. For example, linear algebra we provide for free. Engineering mathematics complete course for free. Discrete mathematics complete course we provide for free. So our free courses, our YouTube lectures, our complete course, our paid course, our test series, our weekly quizzes, our all India mock test. Basically, if you have attempted, if you have seen any of our lectures, and if you loved our content quality, and if you have recommended go classes to anyone, I want to thank all of you from bottom of my heart. Go classes is basically growing. Go classes is running because of word of mouth and also our results, our topper results, and also the course quality, the content quality. So I want to thank all of you for recommending Go classes to the future GATE CS or D aspirants. And thank you for your trust in Go classes. Thank you for trusting Go classes.
So now there has been like almost 2 lakhs of subscribers on YouTube, and which is because of word of mouth, which is because of your trust in Go classes. So before we begin the session, we definitely want to thank all of you for trusting in Go classes, for having this large number of subscribers on YouTube, and also on websites. There has been many new signups in last year. I think before we started the session last year, it was around 50,000 subscribers on website, but now I think the number, like I do not have the exact number with me. Deepak, do you remember the number?
Number?
Website page subscribers.
Website on our website also we are very close to 1 lakh
Yes.
total 1 lakh signups. We are very close to that, and exact number right now I also don't remember, but we are very close to 1 lakh signups on website. Not only on YouTube. On YouTube we are close to 2 lakh subscriber, but on, see, on YouTube you just press the subscribe button and subscription is done. But on the Go classes website, on the Go classes app, almost 1 lakh students, very we are very close to that. We are very close to reaching the 1 lakh number, and basically almost 1 lakh students have signed up on Go classes website or on Go classes app, and they have attempted our all India mock test, our AIMT, our test series, our courses. They have enrolled in our paid courses, in our free courses. As I told you, we provide free courses, complete free courses also. So I want to thank all of you who have subscribed to our YouTube channel, who have signed up on our website, or who has downloaded our app. I want to thank today to each and every one of you. We are about to make 5 years of Go classes. So this year, in 2026 July, Go classes will become 5 years old. And I want to I want to tell you that this is possible only because of your trust and your support. Because of your trust, we are I can say we keep going. Okay, so thanks to all of you. Now let me share with you our Go classes result, because if you want to enroll for any GATE CS or GATE DA complete course of any institute, then first you must know what was their result, right? So let me tell you, now I am going to share with you our GATE 2025 result of GATE CS and GATE DA toppers from our complete course. In this result, I am not including our test series enrolled students. If I include test series enrolled students also, as many other institutes do, then it will become a very huge number. Let me tell you the number. I will tell you the result. I will show you. This is from Go classes complete course. They were Go classes GATE CS complete course student, or GATE DA complete course student, or GATE CS plus DA combo complete course students. And their 2025 result, let me share with you. On your screen, you can see these are Go classes GATE 2025 computer science toppers. And they were our complete course enrolled students. In this complete list, all these students, these are our complete course students. We have not included test series enrolled students. If we include that, as I told you, it will become a huge number. Okay, so let me tell you that these are our complete course enrolled students for GATE CS complete course. And you can see that in top 100, in GATE 2025, in top 100, there were 16 plus complete course enrolled students in top 100. You can see in top 100, 16 plus, and
Yes.
these are the ranks. You can see All India rank 7, All India rank 9, All India rank 7 Hemant, All India rank 9 Om Hari. All of them are Go classes GATE CS complete course students who followed Go classes GATE CS complete course, studied with our complete course, and they secured top 100 rank in the GATE CS 2025 exam. You can see in top 100 we have 16 plus, and in top 500 we have 62 plus. You can see here 62 plus of our complete course students in top 500 ranks in GATE 2025 CS.
Yes, so this is the result of last year, which is GATE 2025, and obviously, like GATE 2026 result is awaited, and we are very hopeful that this year also we will be making, very good results. And again, we are saying that this is complete course. We have not included any test series student. Also, all of these students are basically our complete course in the sense that we have not asked anyone to provide their results or something like that. I mean, those kind of practices we never do. Whatever results we have published in last 4 to 5 years, you can ask any student, any topper individually. You can message them on LinkedIn, you can message them on other social platforms, wherever they are. You can ask individually that whether you have studied from go classes or not. I think we are, only one of the coaching that we can proudly say that all the students that you will message, okay, they will immediately write that yes, we are their complete course students. There has not been even the single student that is, by even by mistake we have not put it. Okay.
Yes. So if we have, see, for every topper, we clearly mention that this topper is our complete course student, this topper is our test series student, this topper is our free courses student, like that. Okay. And when we say that this particular student is our complete course student, when we say this, then it simply means that 100% he is our complete course student. He was not only test series student, he also has taken test series, but he was our gate complete course student. So for every topper, we clearly say that this student is complete course student, this student is test series, like that. Okay, we make this category. Okay, we don't just randomly tell you that this is our topper, and we don't mention that this was our test series topper, this was our complete course topper. If we don't mention, if we directly say this was our topper, then let me tell you, that will be basically a lie. Okay, because if we tell you that okay, this is our topper, and we don't tell you that this was our test series student, this was our complete course student, then that will give you a that will give you a false impression basically. Okay, so go classes has never done this. For each and every student, for each and every topper, we correctly and clearly mention how that topper, how he or she was associated with go classes. This is done by go classes, and I think only by go classes. And we have never lied for a single student. You can, if you are thinking that okay, this student, you can send them a message on the LinkedIn and you can talk to them, you can ask them. Okay, so as I told you that these are on your screen. These are Go classes GATE 2025 computer science toppers from our complete course, from our gatecse complete course. Now, these are on your screen. These are Go classes complete course enrolled students for GATE DA preparation. Actually, here some students also enrolled in individual courses. For example, you can see All India rank 7. So he was enrolled in Go classes machine learning course. So basically all of them are Go classes course enrolled students. Majority of them are Go classes complete DA course enrolled students. For example, All India rank 1 Nikhil, GATE DA 2025 All India rank 1, he was Go classes GATE DA complete course student, and most of them are Go classes complete course students. Okay, there are some students, for example, All India rank 7, he enrolled in Go classes machine learning course. All India rank 16, he enrolled in Go classes multiple individual courses like AI, DBMS, and some other probability, like that. So multiple individual courses were enrolled by Rishabh. So All India rank 16 Rishabh. Okay, overall in top 100, our 16 course students, you can see here, our 16 plus course students, all of them they are our course enrolled students, and most of them they are our GATE DA complete course students. So in top 100, 16 plus, and in top 500, 43 plus. So this is our result of GATE DA 2025 from our complete course or from our individual courses. This is the summary, you can see. So these are some of the highlights of our results. So All India rank 1 GATE DA 2025 Nikhil, he was Go classes complete course enrolled student. All India rank 1 GATE CS 2024, in GATE CS 2024 All India rank 1 Piyush Kumar, he was Go classes complete course enrolled student. There are 7 course students in top 25 in DA 2025. In DA 2025 results, in top 25 ranks, there are 7 course enrolled students of Go classes. 7 in 25, you can see.
And I also think that this is the number that I have not seen any other coaching matching these numbers. So 7 students in top 25 is really a huge number. So you can understand the gravity of this number. The 7 students from a single organization, and which is our like course students. So we are not including again the test series students. Obviously, if we include the test series students, it might be like around 20, or maybe somewhere like that. So these are the course students. And next we have 16 plus course student in top 100 in DA, and similarly 16 plus course student in top 100 in computer science. Okay.
So these are some highlights of our results. And also let me tell you that Go Classes conducts All India mock test. Every year at the end in December, January, we conduct All India mock test, AIMT, which are very famous mock test, and majority of the serious aspirants, they attempt Go Classes All India mock test. Let me tell you, this year for 2026 aspirants, we conducted All India mock test, and in our GATE Computer Science All India mock test, around 5,500, you can see 5,500 students, they appeared live. These were the number of live participants in our All India mock test for GATE CS 2026. You can see here that 5,500, this is a huge number, 5,500 live participants, they attempted Go classes GATE CS All India mock test 5 for GATE CS 2026. So I want to thank all the students for their trust in Go classes. And similarly, in GATE DA, you can see in our GATE DA All India mock test 1, in AIMT 1 of GATE DA, you can see almost 1,300 live participants in GATE DA AIMT 1. So I can say that majority of the serious aspirants, every year they attempt Go classes All India mock test. They attempt our GATE CS AIMT, GATE DA AIMT, and this year the numbers are, I can say, huge. You can see in GATE for GATE CS 2026, the AIMT that we conducted, you can see almost 5,500 students were the live participants, and for GATE DA almost 1,300 were the live participants. And these are 2 more highlights from our results. So All India rank 1 in GATE DA 2025, Nikhil was Go classes complete course enrolled student. And All India rank 1 for GATE CS 2024, Piyush Kumar, he was also Go classes complete course enrolled student. So in the last 2 years, in 2025, in 2024, from Go classes complete course, All India rank 1 in GATE CS, All India rank 1 in GATE DA. So those ranks have come from Go classes.
And we are very proud of that. Like getting AIR1 is really very rewarding. We are not saying that getting AIR1 is the only aim. Obviously we want every one of you to succeed, and every rank is very important. Like under 500 is considered to be very good rank in GATE, because then you get top IIT. But we are just highlighting that in GATE 2025, which means last year, in DA we got AIR1, which is Nikhil. And similarly in GATE 2024, in GATE Computer Science we got AIR1. Like Pius has got AIR1 from Go classes. So Pius was our complete course enrolled student.
See, because this is our course launch session, so we are going to discuss everything. Just have patience, everything we will discuss. Of course, it's not like in every video we promote ourselves. If you see on the YouTube, in all the technical lectures, from first second till the last second, we never promote ourselves. You can watch, you can on the Go classes YouTube channel, you watch any random technical video you want. If that is, let's assume, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour video, lecture video, then in that lecture video, from the beginning till the end, only we teach. We don't promote, we don't, we don't promote ourselves, we don't praise ourselves. Basically these things we don't do in our technical lectures. This is our course launch session. We are very excited to launch our 2027 course. So in this session, we are going to tell you everything. We will tell you all about our result, how many our test series students, how many our complete course students, they got top rank in the GATE 2025, GATE 2024, in GATE DA, GATE CS, All these things we will tell you. We will also tell you our features of Gate CS complete course, Gate DA complete course, and also the early bird discount. Everything we will tell you. Just have patience. So these are all India rank ones in the all India rank one basically in the last 2 years for Gate CS Pius and for Gate DA Nikhil. Both our complete course enrolled students. You can see this was the feedback. This was the post Pius has written on the LinkedIn. Pius Kumar. He was Gates CS 2024 All India Rank 1. You can see on the LinkedIn, this post Pius has written here. You can see, I owe a huge debt of gratitude to Sachin Mittal sir, Deepak Punia sir, founders of goclasses. You can see here the feedback. Their expertise, mentorship, and the unique teaching methodology not only entitled me and but also inspired me at every step of the way. And you can see the depth of knowledge these remarkable educators bring in the classroom that is unparalleled. So this was the testimonial, this was the feedback that Piyush shared on the LinkedIn. You can find it on the LinkedIn, you can find Piyush. So thanks to Piyush for his such lovely feedback that he shared, and we are always proud of Piyush.
So similarly, like we got many other ranks. For example, Hemant has secured last year. Also, Hemant has secured last year AIR 7 in Gate Computer Science. Last year means Gate 2025. So Hemant has also shared his feedback, and he has said like in Gate 2024, I achieved AIR around 1.3k. Then I decided to restart my journey on February 26th, and I joined Go classes. So he has clearly mentioned Go classes, and then he has actually he is very humble and he is very nice guy. He has also, we have invited him to felicitation, and he has also come to the felicitation, and he the experience of him was very nice. Our experience was also very nice with him. So he was our complete course enrolled student, and he has shared the feedback on LinkedIn also.
You can find interview of Hemant also on the Go Classes YouTube channel. You can search on the YouTube, you can search Hemant All India Rank 7 Go Classes. You can search like that, and you can find the interview of Hemant. He is really a very humble guy. And if Hemant is watching this session, we are very proud of you. We are always proud of you. He is currently studying in IISc Bangalore. Piyush All India Rank 1, he is also in IISc Bangalore. Hemant All India Rank 7, he is also in IISc Bangalore. They are studying in IISc Bangalore. So you can see these are some of our toppers. Only some screenshots we have put here, not all, but only some of them. But you can see these were our Go classes complete course students. You can see in Gate DA 2025, All India Rank 49, Tejas, and All India Rank 7, Hemant in Gate CS.
Yes. So similarly, there are many others. So we have put only few screenshots. So left, generally in these slides, left screenshot is for computer science and right screenshot is for Gate DA. For example, Siddharth has got AIR 38 and Ajay Srinivasan has got AIR 56 in Gate DA.
Yes. So basically the left screenshot is mostly the Gate CS topper, and the right screenshot that is mostly Gate DA topper.
Similarly, Aditya Manoj has got AIR 29, and Partha is also, we met him in the felicitation. He is also very humble guy. So he has got AIR 44 last year. So these are the like few screenshots we are quickly sharing. Okay, we won't take much of the time. Sri Hasha, he has.
So both are
Yeah.
actually Gate CS toppers.
Yes, so Vignesh Shiresha has got AIR 83 and Vignesh has got AIR 143 in Gate Computer Science last year.
Actually, one more thing. Uh, Sri Hasa actually got all India rank 83 with third year, I think. Okay, you can check
Okay.
it on the LinkedIn. You can search Sri Hasa. So he has written very beautiful feedback of Go classes on the LinkedIn also, and I think he got all India rank 83. I think with the third year. Okay, and Vignesh got all India rank 143 with final year. He was also our Gate CS complete course student.
So all of these, I think all the screenshot that we have put are Go classes complete course enroll student only. So whenever there is a test series enroll student, we will mention explicitly, or otherwise like everything is written on the slide in case if we miss to say this. Okay.
Yes, yes. Everything we have written, you can see everything is very clearly written.
So Swapnil has got AIR 163, Lokesh has got AIR 56 in Gate CSE last year. These are the last year results. Similarly, yeah, Priyanshu has got AIR 2 and he was our test series enroll student. He could enroll in one course, but he actually messaged me on the LinkedIn and somehow I got to see that message later on, and he wanted to enroll for one or two courses like compiler design. He messaged me on the LinkedIn. So anyway, but later on he got AIR 2 and he was our test series enroll student. So
Actually, this is the feedback Priyanshu has written on Quora. And just pause the video and just read this feedback. You will understand the quality that we provide, that the quality that we bring to the table. Okay, you can see here, Sachin. He has
yes,
written here that you can see
for any
actually
topic he
yes
used to
for
search.
yes
Yes,
on the YouTube. So basically, Priyanshu has written that I used to search on YouTube that okay topic name followed by Go classes. This is what I used to do, and I also took advantage of their free courses of discrete mathematics and engineering mathematics, and I thoroughly enjoyed their content. So he was our Priyanshu, All India Rank 2 in GATE CS 2024. He was our test series student and also free courses student. Almost every free course, free lecture on the YouTube, on the goclasses YouTube channel, almost every free lecture he has watched, and that is what he has written in this Quora post. You can just pause the video and you can just read this. This will tell you all about goclasses basically.
yes. So similarly, there are like many other results. Prabhav Verma is there who has got AIR 3 in GATE 2023 and he has also written a very nice feedback on the LinkedIn. So we have just put the screenshot here.
He was our test series
Test
everything
series,
student.
yes. So he was our test series enroll student. Everything is written here. Similarly, Satyam Sukla, he was also our test series enroll student, but he has watched many YouTube lectures also. So we regularly talk to him personally on WhatsApp and other platforms also. So basically, he has got AIR 4 in GATE 2023. He was our test series enroll student.
You can see he has written all India rank for Satyam. He has written that I got the conceptual clarity. In fact, I didn't need to mug up any subject like DM, which is very vast. So basically, similar to Priyanshu was all India rank 2 in GATE 2024. And similarly, Satyam is all India rank 4. So Satyam also watched our free courses, our discrete mathematics, engineering mathematics free courses, free lectures, test series. He was enrolled in test series. So basically, free lectures he has watched from Go classes, almost all the free lectures, and he has provided excellent feedback on the LinkedIn. Also, you can check it.
Yes. So next is Utkarsh, who has got AIR 8, and Utkarsh was also our test series enroll student, as you can see. And Utkarsh has also shared the feedback. I think this is the feedback he has shared on the Gate Overflow platform. So this is a screenshot from the Gate Overflow platform, and he has written clearly about the Go classes that for the test series, I fully recommend Go classes test series and their question like that. So and he also attempted all of our AIMTs, and everything is written here, as you can read.
Yes, actually, one more thing that Utkars he got all India rank 8 in GATE CS 2024. He got all India rank 17 in GATE DA 2024. So basically, both GATE CS DA in both exam in 2024 he got top rank. In CS all India rank 8, in DA all India rank 17. He was our test series enrolled student, and he has written. You can see this feedback on the Gate Overflow website. This feedback he has written where he has. You can see this entire paragraph. You can read here. He has provided the feedback of our test series, and of course there are many more. We did not put all the screenshots, all the feedbacks. There are many more toppers. As I told you that in top 100 in GATE CS 2025, in top 100 we have 16 complete course students. In GATE DA 2025 in top 100 we have 16 course enrolled students. So you can see a lot of toppers. And I think one more thing, if you see in any IIT, IISc Bangalore, IIIT Hyderabad, you take any top college, I tell you one thing, what you do, you take any top college and you message any student who is currently studying in M.Tech in that college. You message and you ask that in your batch majority of the students are from which coaching. Okay, you just ask. You can message to any student from IISc Bangalore, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, any old IIT, IIT Hyderabad, IISc, basically any top college you take, and you message M.Tech student who is currently studying there. Okay, so you message them and you ask them that in your class majority of the students they studied from which coaching, or they referred which coaching, or they recommend which coaching. So I think that almost everyone will tell you that in my batch, in my class, majority of the classmates, they recommend go classes, majority are from go classes. So like this type of feedback you will get. So far we were mainly discussing our 2025 result. Some of our 2024 2023 toppers also we shared. And let me tell you that this is the summary of our GATE CS 2024 result. Not only in 2025, of course, in GATE CS, GATE DA 2025 we got top result, many rankers, many top rankers from our complete course in top 100, in top 500. But let me share with you that this was not just about 1 year. It's not like some miracle happened in 2025. It's not like that. Consistently we are getting the top result every year. You can see this is go classes GATE CS 2024 result, GATE Computer Science 2024 result. You can see in top 100 there were 20 plus course enrolled students. And you can see All India Rank 1 in GATE CS 2024. He was our complete course enrolled student, Piyush Kumar. All India Rank 2, Priyanshu Sharma. He was test series and free courses student. All India Rank 8, Utkarsh Sharma. He was test series student. And you can see in top 500, we had 75 plus course enrolled students. So this is our result of GATE CS 2024. So basically, consistently every year we are getting the top result. And we have shown you just some of our results. Just it's just a highlight, let me tell you. It's just the surface, I can say. We did not, of course, if we tell you all about it, then it will become, a dedicated 2 or 3, maybe 4 hour session we have to take. But this is just some of them. These are just highlights of our results that we have produced.
So yes, this is actually after the gate result. Every year we have felicitation, as many of you might be knowing. So this is these are the few pictures from the felicitation. We invite many toppers, around 100 toppers with their some of the toppers, especially the girl toppers, they have come with their parents also. So we have invited them, and this is the picture that we have clicked in the Jaipur. So one of the picture is from Hawa Mahal, and other picture is are from the other places like Amir Fort and all. So like these are the pictures, and you can definitely be the part of the success story. We are definitely welcoming you for the felicitation once your top rank comes.
Yes. So basically, this year also, once the GATE 2026 result will be out, then in the month of April, we will have felicitation ceremony. Every year in Jaipur, we have felicitation ceremony, which goes, for 3 or 4 days. We have a lot of fun. We visit all the places of Jaipur. So you may have seen our felicitation is quite famous, I can say. So you can also become a part of our felicitation, in 2027 next year. After GATE 2027 exam, you can join go classes felicitation in Jaipur for 3 or 4 days. You will stay with us, we will have a lot of fun. So that is another motivation actually, Sachin, for many students. Of course, when they come to felicitation, they tell us that sir, one of the motivation was to come to felicitation. It is real. You can talk to the students, they will tell you that this was one of the motivation, that okay, once we get a top rank in the GATE CS or GATE DA, and of course they must be go classes students, then this is the motivation that they want to come to our felicitation and enjoy for 3 4 days, enjoy and celebrate their success with us.
And also every year we get after the felicitation videos are out on the YouTube, so we get many comments ki sir, matlab this is the motivation for to crack gate, and this happens every year. You can search on the YouTube go classes felicitation. There on the comment section you will be finding many aspirants commenting ki sir, matlab ye ek motivation hai, because of the environment. It's not ki they cannot visit Jaipur. Obviously they can they can visit, they can come to Jaipur, but it is because of the vibrant environment with all the toppers having the 3 days. So it's like really like great 3 days that you spend in Jaipur.
Yes. So keep it as a motivation. Prepare well, get top rank in GATE 2027, and come to us, visit us. I can say join us in the felicitation 2027. Now let's discuss the details of our Gate DA Gate CS complete course. Now we are going to tell you all about our Gate complete course, Gate CS complete course, Gate DA complete course, who will be the faculty, what will be the features, what are the changes, what are the major changes, from where to do practice, okay, from where to ask doubts, everything. So let's discuss, okay. So first, let's discuss who will be teaching you. What is the faculty introduction? Basically, if you want to become a gate topper, then are you studying from a person who himself or herself has cracked gate exam, who has himself or herself topped gate exam? So if we are telling you that you can top gate exam with go classes, then of course first we must crack, right? Okay, so let me share with you that who will be the faculty, who will be teaching you. Of course most of you already know. So the faculties are basically us, I, Deepak Punia and Sachin Mittal. So we are the faculty. Now let me introduce. So this is me. My name is Deepak Punia, co-founder and instructor at Go Classes, and I have completed my M.Tech from IISc Bangalore, all India rank 53, 67, 107, 206, 256. These are my GATE computer science ranks. Okay. So I will be your faculty for almost half the subject, and I hope you will love my teaching.
Yes, so so I think there are like many feedbacks about Deepak on the YouTube and everywhere, and many students know Deepak. And personally, I always try to get the inspiration from his teaching. So it's not a promotion of Go classes, okay? It's just I'm telling my personal thing that I always get inspiration from his teaching, and I think most of you have already might have already seen a few of the videos of Go classes, and then you already know about Deepak and me. So next is me, and I'm also co-founder and instructor at Go Classes. I've also finished my masters at IISc. So I was in the batch of 2017 to 19, and Deepak was in the batch of 2018 to 20. So I've also achieved top gate rank, which is all India rank 33. I have achieved in gate, and I have achieved it in that rank in gate 2017. And after ISC, I worked at two companies. One of them was Xerox Labs, and another was Amazon Applied Scientist. Amazon Applied Scientist is one of the, I can say, one of the dream company for even today. Like Amazon Applied Scientist is dream company for almost all the IITians. At least it is true for the M.Tech people. Like almost everyone, it is like kind of dream company. So I worked there, and I was fortunate enough to crack it. I worked there for more than 1 year. So it was really a great experience. And this experience actually help us to frame many things in Go classes, especially in Gate DA, like because that is very much oriented for machine learning. So we teach machine learning and AI and many other things. And this experience, the practical experience, and obviously the theoretical things that we have learned at ISC, all of that together makes the Go classes course.
Actually, particularly for Gate DA, if you are Gate DA aspirant, then particularly Sachin sir has experience. He has worked in Amazon as applied scientist for more than 1 year, and some other company also, Xerox Lab was there. So in Xerox Lab also he has worked, and in Gate DA, Sachin sir will be teaching you machine learning, linear algebra, probability optimization. All these concepts Sachin sir will be teaching you, and there, because if you want to study machine learning, then there Sachin sir's knowledge and his work experience at the Amazon, that also will be shared with you. I think Sachin, you discussed
Yes.
that particular question that was asked in interview, right?
Yes, yes. Actually, two, three videos we have in Gate DA courses where I've discussed the questions that were being asked in different interviews. So LinkedIn, I actually appeared for multiple interviews, and fortunately, I was fortunate enough to crack almost all the interviews that I appeared. And but I finally had chosen I choose Amazon, but I have appeared for Flipkart, LinkedIn, and there are many other companies like 247.ai and Yodlee, and there were many other companies. I have to recall them. But yes, I sometimes also share, if it is relevant with the Gate DA students, I sometimes also share the interview questions that they ask, because they are like very much related or very much in the syllabus. If they are in the syllabus, then I actually discuss.
Yes.
Yes.
So basically both the faculties, so basically both me and Sachin, we are from IISc Bangalore. We have completed our M.Tech from IISc Bangalore. And one thing I can tell you that when you complete the M.Tech, or when you complete a course, or when you basically complete a degree, from any top college, IIT Bombay, IISc Bangalore, IIT Delhi, okay, when you spend 2-3 years there, then your whole learning perspective changes. You basically get to learn how to learn. Okay, they basically teach you how to study, how to learn, how, which resources to follow, which resources not to follow. So basically, every concept in particularly, I can tell you that in IISc Bangalore, my professor was Professor Sunil Chandran sir. And he was basically graph theory combinatorics professor. And sorry, he is basically graph theory and combinatorics professor. And he always said that if you are speaking something, make sure you can prove it. Okay, so or either you, if you are speaking something, make sure you can prove it, or else before speaking you say that it is a I can say it is basically some, right now it is not proven, it's conjecture. Okay, so basically this is the word conjecture. Conjecture means a statement which you think it is true, but it is not yet proven. So basically in IISc Bangalore, they teach us these things. If we are following some resources, then it must be from the standard resources. It must be from some standard book, from some university. That is the reason in go classes you will not find misconceptions, because whatever we teach you from the standard resources. We also provide you, a screenshot of multiple standard resources, multiple standard books. We provide you the screenshot, so that you can be very 100% sure that whatever concept you are learning, these are not misconceptions, these are not self-made concepts of our. Okay, so basically every concept, every statement, every theorem, everything that we teach you, we also provide you a screenshot from the standard books from the top university, so that you can be sure that you are learning from the right resource, you are learning the correct concepts, you are not learning the misconception which at a later point of time you will regret. Okay, so that is one thing. And that I think, I and Sachin, we learned this thing from our 2 years in IISc Bangalore. So these top colleges, they basically change your complete way of learning. This is what I can say. Now let me discuss the most common feedback that we receive almost every year. This year also we received this feedback. Almost every year we receive this feedback. And this is basically about, I wish I knew Go classes 6 months before. This type of feedbacks we get almost every year.
So the reason why we are putting this screenshot here, because we also don't feel good whenever someone comment after 1 year. Then we also feel that it's not about our monetary loss or our financial loss. More than that, it's about the student loss. So we also feel very bad that student were. I mean, some students regret, right? They genuinely regret. So that is the reason we are sharing this with the start of the session, with the start of the course. That if you really want to make a decision, then taking which coaching, I mean deciding to join which coaching, this decision is really very important. So take this decision very carefully, see the instructors qualification, see their result, and also see if you really want, then you can study from their free courses. Actually just see this completely. Don't go by the words of someone which is like anonymously said, or maybe your friends are saying. Just don't go with the words. Just see 2 3 things which is like qualification. Other than that, just see that how their content quality is. Just watch some of their free lectures, because this decision is very important, and we don't want you to comment it later that okay, I wish I could have joined go classes before, something
You
like
can see
this.
similarly here, one student has written, my biggest regret is that I was not aware of Go classes when I started my preparation. Let me show you that after this comment, there are many replies. You can see same, yup
Yeah,
bro,
bro.
yup, same. Now I know what I
What I
missed.
missed.
Yes, same here. It saddens me to even imagine what I have missed all these while and wasted so much time, money, and energy elsewhere. Okay, so this type of feedbacks we get almost every year. You can see this particular student is saying that it saddens me to even imagine what I have missed, and you can see that wasted my money, time, energy elsewhere. And you can see, I wish I could have searched in YouTube before, or anyone should say me. Basically, this particular student is saying that I wish someone had told me to join Go classes. So this type of feedback we get almost every year. Okay. And let me tell you one thing, that many people they casually say कि यार कोचिंग तो सारी एक जैसी होती है, तुम्हें मेहनत करनी है.
हाँ, प्रैक्टिस करो है ना,
हाँ.
कोई भी कोचिंग ज्वाइन कर लो, प्रैक्टिस करो,
हाँ.
ऐसा मतलब लोग बोलते हैं जनरली।
यस, तो बहुत ही कैजुअली आपने भी ये सुना होगा कि लोग बोल देते हैं कि यार कोचिंग तो सारी एक जैसी होती है, टीचर तो सारे एक जैसे होते हैं, तुम्हें मेहनत करनी है. आई वॉन्ट टू टेल all those people one thing. See, we are putting a lot of effort to provide, quality content with proof. Everything that we teach, we teach from the standard resources with proof, with intuition. We do not do any rote learning in Go classes. So that is one particular effort that we are putting. And when you say कि यार सारी कोचिंग एक जैसी होती हैं, सारे टीचर एक जैसे होते हैं, then basically you are nullifying our effort. Okay, I think Go classes, when Go classes started, I think we started the culture of proof, intuition. Basically, whatever you study with proof. Whatever formula, concept, whatever table, property, theorem, anything that you study with proof, with correct understanding, with complete understanding, with clear understanding, without rote learning. So this culture of rote learning, basically, I can say we stopped when we started Go classes. And we are providing, we are basically, for the last 5 years we are stuck on one thing, that is quality learning. Okay, we follow standard resources, we solve the questions from the top universities, from the standard books. Many times our question comes in the gate exam as it is. So many people will tell you, that all the coachings are same, all these things they will tell you. But I just want to tell, I just want to tell you कि सारे same नहीं होते लक्ष्मण. I want to tell you very very clearly, you can watch some lectures of the Go classes. Our many courses are free. That is the reason we provided them for free, so that you can make your decision. If you have any doubt, should I enroll in the Go classes? Do they provide quality content? Do they provide proof? Do they really, stop the rote learning, basically? So in all the cases, you can watch our lectures. We have more than 1,000 lectures on the YouTube. We have complete courses, complete discrete mathematics, complete engineering mathematics, complete linear algebra. All these courses are free. Complete courses are free on our Go classes website, on our Go classes app. You can watch our lectures, and then you can decide, do we really provide the quality? Do we really provide what we are saying? Okay. And I want to mention one more thing actually here. Few days back, there was a particular institute, there was a particular coaching institute. In that institute, 7 or 8 faculty, they were standing in the same frame, and they were indirectly talking about Go classes. They were saying that कि Go classes के, basically without saying the name of Go classes, they were indirectly mentioning कि कुछ लोग हैं जो MIT के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं, कुछ लोग हैं जो स्टैनफोर्ड के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं, ऐसे कुछ लोग हैं. और बेसिकली उसी उसी पूरी टीम के अंदर 7-8 लोगों की जो टीम थी.
द फनी थिंग, मुझे एक फनी लाइन उसमें से उस वीडियो में से याद आई। उन्होंने बोला कि गेट का पेपर तो कोई इंडियन ही बनाएगा। तो फॉरेन से क्या पढ़ना है।
एक बेसिकली मैं आपको एक चीज बताता हूँ, तो थोड़ा मेरे को बुरा भी लगा था. मैं क्यों ये चीज बता रहा हूँ, उसका रीजन है
राइट।
कि उस फ्रेम के अंदर वो एक इंस्टीट्यूट है, बड़ा इंस्टीट्यूट है, वो एम्प्लॉयज हैं. एंड उस फ्रेम के अंदर बीच में एक एक फैकल्टी बीच में एक खड़े थे, मुझे उनका नाम नहीं पता. एक बीच में एक फैकल्टी खड़े थे, वो सर खुजाते हुए बोले हमें गधा भी बोल रहे हैं वो. बेसिकली उस वीडियो के अंदर वो बोल रहे हैं कि कुछ लोग हैं जो MIT फॉलो करते हैं, स्टैनफोर्ड फॉलो करते हैं, ये चीजें फॉलो करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जो गेट का क्वेश्चन आएगा वो तो कोई IIT का प्रोफेसर ही बनाएगा. तो मैं उनको बोलना चाहता हूं कि जो IIT का प्रोफेसर जो गेट के क्वेश्चन बनाएगा, वो IIT का प्रोफेसर उन्हीं रिसोर्सेज को फॉलो कर रहा है जिनको हम फॉलो कर रहे हैं. IISc बैंगलोर के अंदर मैं पढ़ा हूं, मुझे आपका पता नहीं है, आई एम नॉट श्योर, क्योंकि जानता नहीं हूं, मैं नाम भी नहीं जानता. लेकिन मैं IISc बैंगलोर के अंदर पढ़ा हूं और मुझे पता है कि IISc बैंगलोर के जो प्रोफेसर हैं वो कौन से बुक्स को फॉलो करते हैं, वो कौन से रिसोर्सेज को फॉलो करते हैं. लीनियर अलजेब्रा के लिए हर साल अलग बुक फॉलो करते हैं वो. बेसिकली बात यह है कि जिन रिसोर्सेज को IIT के प्रोफेसर फॉलो कर रहे हैं, हम भी उन्हीं रिसोर्सेज के प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन आपको करवा रहे हैं. उससे चांसेस बहुत ज्यादा इंक्रीज हो जाते हैं कि जब वो IIT के प्रोफेसर क्वेश्चन बनाएंगे तो वो जिन रिसोर्सेज को फॉलो कर रहे हैं उन्हीं से क्वेश्चन बनाएंगे. सीधी सी कॉमन सेंस सी बात है. तो उन्हीं रिसोर्सेज के प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन हम आपको सॉल्व करवा रहे हैं, ठीक है। और ये सारी चीजें मतलब बेसिकली एक तरीके से बात ये हो गई कि वो हमें क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे थे सिर्फ इसलिए क्योंकि हमने ज्यादा क्वालिटी दे दी, है ना।
हाँ, स्टैंडर्ड
मतलब
रिसोर्स फॉलो कर लिए।
हाँ, स्टैंडर्ड रिसोर्स फॉलो कर लिए,
हाँ।
एमआईटी के क्वेश्चन सोल्व करवा दिए, स्टैनफोर्ड के प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन सोल्व करवा दिए, इसलिए वो हमें क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे थे। और क्रिटिसाइज करते करते उन्होंने थोड़ा सा लैंग्वेज भी क्रॉस कर दी। उन्होंने लैंग्वेज क्रॉस करके भी बोल दिया कि एक गधा वर्ड भी उन्होंने वीडियो के अंदर इतने बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर खड़े होकर सर खुजाते हुए उन्होंने गधा वर्ड भी बोला। तो बेसिकली आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू कि एज ए स्टूडेंट आप एक मेच्योर स्टूडेंट हो, अडल्ट हो आप, ठीक है, बच्चे नहीं हो आप खुद डिसाइड कर सकते हो कि गो क्लासेस को क्रिटिसाइज भी अगर किया जा रहा है तो वो इसलिए किया जा रहा है क्योंकि हम स्टैंडर्ड रिसोर्सेज फॉलो कर रहे हैं। हमें क्रिटिसाइज भी अगर कर रहा है तो कोई इसलिए कर रहा है कि हम स्टैंडर्ड रिसोर्सेज या स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स के क्वेश्चन सोल्व करवा रहे हैं। इस तरह का क्रिटिसिज्म अगर कोई इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा कर रहा है तो आप समझ जाओ कि वो आपको क्वालिटी नहीं दे रहे, और क्वालिटी आपको इधर मिलनी है। तो अगर आपको क्वालिटी चाहिए तो यू कैन फॉलो गो क्लासेस, वेरी सिंपल, ऑफ कोर्स। सो दिस
या सो
थोड़ा
बेसिकली
लग,
हाँ, वी
यस,
वी डिडंट वांट टू, हाँ मतलब शेयर कर दो स्क्रीन तो।
हाँ,
सो वी डिडंट वांट टू ब्रिंग दिस इन द डिस्कशन, वी हैव नॉट प्लान्ड इट, बट इट जस्ट केम टू अवर माइंड कि आपको अगर कोचिंग, क्योंकि कोचिंग का डिसीजन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, और कोचिंग अगर आपको डिसाइड करना है तो ऐसे बातों में आके मत डिसाइड करना। उनकी क्वालिफिकेशन देखना, उनका रिजल्ट देखना, और मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली उनके फ्री लेक्चर्स जो भी यूट्यूब पे या फिर वेबसाइट पे जहाँ पे भी अवेलेबल है वो देखो। वी आर नॉट सेइंग कि गो क्लासेस ज्वाइन करो, आप अपना डिसीजन लो। आप इवन फ्रेंड्स का भी मत सुनो, आप किसी भी टॉपर का भी मत सुनो, आप अपना डिसीजन लो। टू थ्री सिंपल सिंपल फैक्टर्स हैं, उनके क्वालिफिकेशन, उनका टीचिंग मेथड विच यू हैव टू सी फ्रॉम देयर फ्री लेक्चर्स, उनका टीचिंग मेथड, उनकी क्वालिटी लर्निंग, उनके मतलब क्वेश्चंस की क्वालिटी, उनका कवरेज की कितना वो डेप्थ में कवर कर रहे हैं, कितनी सारी चीजें कवर कर रहे हैं, सारी चीजें आप खुद से डिसाइड करो, एंड देन यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि आपको कौन सी कोचिंग लेनी है। सो जस्ट वन वन थिंग कि मैं एक चीज बताता हूँ कि व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड गो क्लासेस एट दैट टाइम, वी वर नॉट हैविंग एनी एम्प्लॉय फॉर द कॉल, लाइक आई यूज्ड टू हैंडल द कॉल्स दैट वर ऑन द गो क्लासेस ऑफिशियल नंबर। तो गो क्लासेस का जो ऑफिशियल नंबर वेबसाइट पे था वो जनरली मेरे पास रहता था, वो वाला मोबाइल। तो वेन एवर सम स्टूडेंट कॉल मी, एंड ऑब्वियसली आई वाज नॉट रिवीलिंग कि आई एम सचिन, आई एम ओनली टीचिंग, आई जस्ट टॉक टू देम एज अ कस्टमर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव। तो मैं उनको हमेशा वो ऐसे भी मेरे पास कॉल आते थे कि वो पूछते थे कि हमें कौन सी कोचिंग ज्वाइन करनी चाहिए, या फिर गो क्लासेस ज्वाइन करनी चाहिए या नहीं करनी चाहिए। So these kind of questions I also used to get like in 2000, 21 22 at the time when we started go classes। तो मैं उनको क्लियरली बोलता था कि अपने माइंड में आप उसको दो पार्टीशन करो, एक एक गो क्लासेस का कंटेंट पढ़ो, और उसी टॉपिक को, जस्ट द सेम टॉपिक यू स्टडी फ्रॉम एनीवेयर, एनी कोचिंग, ओके, आई एम नॉट नेमिंग any coaching, you study any topic from go classes, 4 5 hours obviously you have to spend, because if you have to understand some topic deeply, and the same topic you study from any coaching, and then you decide by yourself, okay? So this is the same thing that you can apply, that you pick one topic, you study that topic from go classes, okay, and the same topic you should be studying from any coaching, and then you just compare कि यार यहाँ पे कितना डेप्थ में और वहां पे कितना डेप्थ में, आपको ऑटोमेटिकली फर्क लग जाएगा, और फर्क छोटा मोटा नहीं लगेगा, फर्क एक सिग्निफिकेंट अमाउंट का और सिग्निफिकेंट क्वालिटी का डिफरेंस आपको समझ में आएगा।
एक पर्टिकुलर जैसे चीज, एक एग्जांपल देता हूं मैं। इस बार गेट 2026 में एक क्वेश्चन आया था, रिडंडेंट एक्सप्रेशन या कॉमन सब एक्सप्रेशन, बेसिकली अवेलेबल एक्सप्रेशन एनालिसिस का एक क्वेश्चन आया था। वो जो टॉपिक है, उस वो जो टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन है, वो आज तक गेट 2026 से पहले वो कभी नहीं आया। और आपको गो क्लासेस के आप अवेलेबल एक्सप्रेशन एनालिसिस के लेक्चर देख लो, उसके अंदर उस क्वेश्चन के जैसे कम से कम भी 10 क्वेश्चन हमने करवा रखे हैं फ्रॉम द स्टैंडर्ड रिसोर्सेज। बेसिकली जो गेट 2026 का जो क्वेश्चन था उसके अंदर एक कंट्रोल फ्लो ग्राफ दिया था, और उसके अंदर अवेलेबल एक्सप्रेशन एनालिसिस हमें लगाना था, कॉमन सब एक्सप्रेशन हमें फाइंड करने थे। इस उस क्वेश्चन के जैसे कम से कम भी 10 क्वेश्चन या 15 क्वेश्चन हमने हमारे अवेलेबल एक्सप्रेशन एनालिसिस के लेक्चर के अंदर करवा रखे हैं, जिसके अंदर कंट्रोल फ्लो ग्राफ, विद लूप, विदाउट लूप, बेसिक ब्लॉक, सिंगल इंस्ट्रक्शन, सारे वेरिएशन, मतलब कुछ नहीं छोड़ा। आप एक बार चेक करो, आपको उससे आइडिया लगेगा कि वो पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन जो है वो गेट में आज तक कभी नहीं आया, गेट पीवाईक्यू के अंदर उस तरह का क्वेश्चन अवेलेबल नहीं है। और वो क्वेश्चन भी गो क्लासेस के लेक्चर्स के अंदर वो क्वेश्चन भी आपको अवेलेबल मिलेगा, ठीक है। सो बेसिकली इट्स नॉट लाइक कि हम आपको जो पढ़ाएंगे वो ऐसा नहीं है कि अच्छा सिर्फ आप पीवाईक्यू कर सको, आप सिर्फ गेट के पीवाईक्यू कर सको, ऐसा हम पढ़ाएं, सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं है। आप गेट के पीवाईक्यू भी कर पाओगे, और वो क्वेश्चन जो गेट में पहली बार आएंगे, जो आज तक पीवाईक्यू में कभी नहीं आए, जो गेट में पहली बार आएंगे, आप वो क्वेश्चन भी कर पाओगे। दिस इज द टारगेट। सिर्फ गेट पीवाईक्यू सॉल्व करना टारगेट नहीं है, वो तो करना ही है, बहुत अच्छी बात है, वो तो हम करवाएंगे। गेट पीवाईक्यू सारे के सारे हम कंप्लीट एनालिसिस से आपको सॉल्व करवाएंगे, लेकिन जो क्वेश्चन गेट में पहली बार आएंगे उनको भी आपको सॉल्व करना है। जो नेक्स्ट ईयर 2027 के अंदर जो क्वेश्चन पहली बार आने वाले हैं, जो पीवाईक्यू बेस्ड नहीं है, जो पीवाईक्यू में आए नहीं कभी, उस तरह के क्वेश्चन अगर आपको सोल्व करने हैं, देन ज्वाइन गो क्लासेस। सो now let me discuss the features of go classes gate csda complete course. Of course, the most important feature, that is quality learning, no rote learning. Or, and remember, these are not just the words, this is the, I can say, truth, and this is the motto of the go classes. Ever since we started go classes, we are basically known for quality learning, we are known for no rote learning. Okay, so we don't just casually use this word quality. ये जो quality वाला word है, उसको हम ऐसे casually हर जगह use नहीं करते कि quality quality. When we say quality, what it actually means, you ask, then it simply means that whatever we teach you in depth, with all the variations, with proof, with intuition, with complete understanding, including all the variations, with clear understanding, without having any doubt, and correct understanding without any misconception. So basically, these 3C you remember. In Go classes, you will get complete understanding, clear understanding, and correct understanding. So these three things, these 3C, this is what you will get in Go classes. This is our feature: quality learning, no rote learning.
Next.
The next feature is no prerequisite. Every concept will be taught from the basics. You don't need to know anything before starting a course. If you follow Go classes complete course, then you don't need any prerequisite. Everything, every concept, every small topic also is taught from basics. Everything we will cover. So if there is anything that you need to know before you study a topic, if there is anything that you need to know, then don't worry. We also know that you need to know this point. So before teaching that topic, that point will be covered. So remember, to start Go classes course, before starting Go classes course, you don't need to know anything. You can start the Go classes course. There is no prerequisite required, and everything is taught from basic and in depth. We will start from the basic, but we will go in depth. Okay, basically from basic to advanced in depth, and a lot of practice, a lot of variations. For every question we do complete analysis. This word you may have seen, right? Complete analysis. So this word, basically, this was coined by Go classes, and I think in 2021 we coined this complete analysis word. And for every question that we do, for every gate PYQ, for every practice question that we solve with complete analysis. We tell you what are the variations possible, everything. Basically, in that question, what are the 4 options, why this option is correct, why this option is wrong, what is the proof that this option is correct, what are the counter examples that this option is wrong. So basically, the complete analysis we provide you for each and every gate PYQ, for each and every concept.
And our content will be in the pre-recorded form, so that you can watch the content at your own pace. Okay, so it will be the self-paced, and we will also provide you the schedule. So we will talk about it in the next slides. So we will provide you the schedule, and you can follow that schedule, or you can start at your own pace. On pace means you can have your own schedule. Like suppose that you have already studied some subject and you don't want to study that subject based on our schedule. So you can, for example, if we are saying that okay, you should be starting, let's suppose, from engineering mathematics, and you have already covered the engineering mathematics, then obviously, like, you can make your own schedule, and you can basically follow your own schedule. So the content, the most of the content will be the pre-recorded. It means that the moment you enroll in Go classes, the moment you take the subscription, you can watch any subject in depth fully. Okay, you don't have to wait even for single minute to start any subject. So the moment you enroll, you will be getting the recordings of all the courses in the pre-recorded format, so that you can enjoy, you can learn your courses. So the complete course will be in the pre-recorded form. Yes, there will be the live classes, for which we are going to talk in the next feature. But as a course content, it will be the completely pre-recorded form, so that you can follow with your own pace.
We will also provide you weekly schedule, daily schedule, the subject sequence, everything we will share with you. So if you want to follow our schedule that we provide you, if you want to follow the subject sequence that we provide you, then you can follow that. But if you are a repeater, or if you want to use this course as a self-paced, and you want to study according to your sequence, according to your strategy, then that also you can do. Our all subjects, all courses, everything is pre-recorded, everything is available. When you enroll, then immediately all the courses, all the subjects, everything you will get immediately. Okay, we will also tell you about the live sessions. We will also tell you, don't worry. Also, there is another feature, that is compact courses. Last year we called it summary course, but the summary word, that was basically misleading. So last year we used to call it summary course. Then some people, they used to think that this is like a crash course, this is like a short course, or I can say basically short notes type, crash course type. So no, last year this word summary, this was basically, I can say, misguiding. Actually, compact course, what is compact course, we will tell you in the upcoming slides. We will tell you about the compact courses, what are the compact courses already available, what will be the new compact courses that we will provide this year. We will tell you about it. Okay, so but remember right now that compact courses, that is one feature of go classes, that is one feature of our go classes complete course, compact courses also.
Also, there will be, apart from the pre-recorded session, as we said, like the course will be there in the pre-recorded form. There will be the regular live sessions, and live sessions will be taken from various regions. One of the major region could be your doubts. Another one is the compact courses. So basically, like we will be telling it, we are going to add few more courses as compact courses. So as Deepak was saying that we last year we named it summary courses, but it was not I can say justifying the quality of the courses. I mean, they were like pretending to be like the short courses or something like this. So the correct name that we coined or we figured out was the compact courses, because these are the courses which are as good as main courses, and these are the courses using which you can solve most of the gate PYQs. I think almost the gate PYQs. The only difference is that there are like few proofs that we are not having in the compact courses, because that might not be directly needing for the gate question. Okay, that is the reason why we are calling it compact courses. So there will be the live sessions for the new compact courses that we are going to take. There will be the live session for the practice, there will be the live sessions for the gate PYQs, there will be live sessions for the doubts, separately for the doubts, and obviously for the QJ solutions. So for many things we will be having live sessions also. Okay, along with the pre-recorded content, you will be getting the live sessions. Obviously you will be getting the schedule, so that everything is in the well formatted way. You are motivated to complete the syllabus. You are basically on the track. There will be the general sessions also. Everything will be there.
So live sessions are actually important to keep you consistent. Whether you join the live session live or whether you watch the recording, that is your choice. Majority of the students, they will prefer to watch the recording. Remember, for every live session, for any technical, non-technical, whatever live session we conduct, remember, the recording will be available to you. So if you miss the live session, if you don't join it live, then also don't worry, the recording, or I can say the recorded session, will be available to you. You can watch it anytime, any number of times. Okay, that is one thing. Second thing, the live sessions, basically they keep you consistent. Okay, they keep you motivated, that sessions are going on, people are studying, students are studying, so I should also study. Okay, so basically that is the reason. Remember, we have pre-recorded course, pre-recorded content. We have, for all the courses we have pre-recorded content, but with that, regularly we will take live classes, regularly we take live classes, so that you can stay consistent, you can stay motivated, so that you get a feel that students are learning, progress is going on, basically things are going on, world is moving, so I should also move, so like that. Okay, so that is the basic idea, why we conduct live sessions for compact courses. For the new compact courses, there will be live sessions, and for weekly quizzes solutions, for gate PYQ solutions, okay, for practice, for doubts. So basically live sessions will keep going on. Okay, they will regularly keep going on. Other than that, the courses, the content, all the subjects, everything is in the pre-recorded format. Okay, and some students are asking that when will you provide the subject sequence. So the subject sequence, the subject sequence that we will follow, that subject sequence we will provide you in the orientation session. This is the course launch session. And when we take the orientation session with the enrolled students, when you enroll in the GATE 2027 complete course, then we will take orientation session with you. In that orientation session, we will tell you all about the roadmap. What is the subject sequence we will follow? What is the schedule? What is the daily schedule, weekly schedule? Okay, how to make use of weekly quizzes, how to make use of our compact courses. Okay, everything we will tell you in the orientation session. So orientation session will be separate. This is course launch session. Okay, this is just to tell you why you should prefer go classes, why you should think about go classes complete course if you want to prepare for gate cs or gate da. Okay, what is the reason to join go classes? That is the main discussion of this session. Okay, basically, and we want to tell you all about everything that we have to offer. That is what we are discussing in this session. In the orientation session, remember, once you enroll in the go classes gate complete course, then in the orientation session we will tell you all about the roadmap for the next 1 year till the gate exam. What will be the complete roadmap? Okay, what you need to do, when you need to do, everything we will tell you in the orientation session. So overall, I can say the summary, let me tell you, our complete course is pre-recorded. Gate CS complete course, Gate DA complete course, these are pre-recorded. All the subjects are pre-recorded, and regular live sessions will be taken to keep you consistent. In the live sessions, we are going to discuss, weekly quizzes, practice, Gate PYQs. These things we will discuss, and the new compact course that we will create, those also we will teach you live. Okay. The next feature with our gate complete course, that is basically free access to all the weekly quizzes for complete course students. Remember, go classes weekly quizzes are actually very popular, very famous. Sachin sir will tell you why, but the point is that to any student who is not go classes complete course student, they can separately enroll in the weekly quizzes. You can see, okay, we have provided option to separately enroll for the weekly quizzes. But if you are go classes get complete course student, get cs or da or combo complete course student, then for the complete course students, remember, they will get all the weekly quizzes for free. So in gate cs we have, in gate cs, let me tell you, we have 100 weekly quizzes. Okay, here this is the exact number. You can see that for gate cs complete course students, you will get 95 old quizzes. At this moment, we have 95 quizzes for gate cs, and many more new quizzes will be added. Similarly, for gate da complete course students of go classes, there are 70 old quizzes. These old quizzes, these 70 old quizzes you will get, and there will be many new weekly quizzes. So you can see, for gate cs complete course students of go classes, you can see almost 100 weekly quizzes you will get, which are old quizzes, I can say, which are weekly quizzes of gate 2026. But now for gate 2027, many more new weekly quizzes will be added, and you will get all the weekly quizzes for free access to all the weekly quizzes for go classes complete course students. If you are gate cs complete course student, then you will get cs weekly quizzes. If you are gate da complete course student, then you will get go classes da weekly quizzes. And if you are combo course student, cs plus da combo complete course student, then you will get all our cs weekly quizzes, all our gate da weekly quizzes. So free access to all the weekly quizzes for the complete course students. And particularly, actually, weekly quizzes are very famous. So
Yes. So, like, as you can see that we are already having many weekly quizzes, and why we are having the weekly quizzes, the reason is very simple. That whenever you are studying some topic, at that point in time, you definitely want to attempt some really good questions. And also, we make the weekly quizzes. See, I will be very honest with you that we make the weekly quizzes whenever we teach, right? So at that time, for that particular subject, our memory is also very fresh, right? We also have that particular concept very fresh in our mind. So so automatically, even though we don't want to, okay, automatically the weekly quizzes, I mean, we want or we don't want, doesn't matter, automatically the quality of the weekly quizzes is a par level. So which means that weekly quizzes, like whatever we give in the weekly quizzes, all the questions are really very very good questions, and that is the reason that why weekly quizzes are very very popular. In fact, like I will be honest with you that for 2 3 topics there might not be weekly quizzes, and we regularly got the demand that okay sir iska weekly quizzes aana chahiye, to uska humne like we provided weekly quizzes. But obviously like even after providing almost 100 weekly quizzes, there might be 2 3 topics for which we might not be able to provide weekly quizzes, तो उनका भी डिमांड है. तो बेसिकली वीकली क्विज सो पॉपुलर कि अगर किसी भी, इवन दो वी हैव द टेस्ट सीरीज, अगर किसी भी टॉपिक का वीकली क्विज नहीं है तो उसकी भी डिमांड ऑटोमेटिकली आती ही है, बिकॉज ऑफ द क्वालिटी क्वेश्चंस, because of the learning that students get from the weekly quizzes. So last year only we opened weekly quizzes for everyone. Otherwise generally we have not opened it for everyone. I mean from the last year, since we were getting many requests that sir please allow us to enroll in the weekly quizzes, so that is why we have opened it for everyone. But before last year weekly quizzes were only for the course enroll, complete course enroll students, and if you enroll in the course then only you will be getting the weekly quizzes. But due to the large increase of the demand, because of the popularity of the weekly quizzes, we have to basically made it open, and which was I think really a good decision, because there are many students who are self preparing and they wanted to enroll in the weekly quizzes, they wanted to enroll in the test series were already open obviously, but the weekly quizzes we have also made it open. So really, this is like a weekly quiz is like kind of event, okay, in Go classes, that whenever we upload a weekly quiz, student automatically get the excitement कि यार इसका मैं weekly quiz attempt करूंगा. So these are like automatically very popular because of their quality questions.
Actually, our weekly quizzes are slightly harder than our test series, to be honest, because our weekly quizzes are, I can say, mostly attempted by our enrolled students, and because we know that what we have taught in our complete course, what we have taught, the quality or the depth that we have provided, okay, the variations that we have covered, so according to that actually in the weekly quizzes we can put more harder question. Okay, so many students have given this many students who have attempted our test series as well as weekly quizzes, they have given us this feedback that actually weekly quizzes have more number of harder questions than the test series is of course that is balanced, that is according to the gate level. In the gate also there are some easy questions, some moderate questions, some hard questions, some tricky questions, some conceptual questions, so some straightforward questions. So basically according to the gate level we make the test series, but our weekly quizzes you can say that these are slightly harder than our test series, because we know that almost all our enrolled students, our complete course enrolled students, they attempt the weekly quizzes, and we know what they have studied from us, so they can tackle these questions. Okay, so that is basically kind of trust that we have, kind of belief that we have in our students, or I can say in the learning that they have done from Go classes. So you can see I told you about weekly quizzes, that with Go classes complete course you will get free access to all the weekly quizzes. The next feature is basically lots of practice. As you already know that Go classes follows standard resources, so we do a lot of practice in our lectures also, in our weekly quizzes also, in our test series also. So whatever question we solve in our lecture, in our weekly quiz, in our test series, these are from the standard resources, from the standard books, from the top universities, from NPTEL. Basically these are standard questions that have high possibility of coming in the future gate exam. Okay, so a lot of practice we do. You can watch any of our lecture on the YouTube also. We have provided many lectures, more than 1,000 lectures are available. You can click on any random lecture and you can see that a lot of practice we have done within that lecture. Okay, so lots of practice we do in Go classes, whether in our lecture or in our quizzes or in our test series. Basically also we provide DPP. Okay, last year every day we provided DPP 5 questions every day. So every day, remember, last year every day DPP we provided 5 questions every day consistently. Like you can check it out. Okay, so those DPP of course we will continue. You have DPP of the last year, we will provide many more DPP this year also. Every single day 5 questions, that is consistently, that is a big thing also. So those are also for your practice. So lots of practice you will do, remember, in the Go classes. So we have already discussed why the Go classes weekly quizzes are very famous, very popular. Now let me tell you from where students can do practice, or I can say from where students should do practice. So as I told you, as I told you that in our Go classes lectures, they contain lots of quality questions. In our lectures, actually, we put lots of practice questions. We do a lot of practice. This is just one example. Let me tell you. For example, in combinatorics, see, discrete mathematics is a subject. In that subject, there is a topic combinatorics. In this combinatorics itself, in this single topic, you can see not a subject, just a single topic. In combinatorics, more than 300 different types of questions we have done. So in the discrete mathematics subject, a single topic combinatorics, in that combinatorics also, more than 300, more than 300 different type of questions we have done in combinatorics. So you can see in our lectures, a lot of practice we do.
So you can, this is just one example. You can pick any subject, any topic, and I don't think there is a lack of practice in any topic. You can even pick the system subjects. For example, operating systems. You can pick computer networks. You can pick. In fact, in computer networks, we have got many feedbacks regarding the questions quality itself. So for every topic, like currently you might not be knowing about the topics. Like for example, I'm just telling you that stop and wait protocol. There is one topic. For just that one topic, we have provided a separate lecture solving many questions for just one topic. So for every topic that is there, in Go classes, there is a lots and lots of practice in the lectures itself. There won't be any single topic where you will be finding okay there is a lack of practice, right? You can pick any topic from any subject, from algorithms, operating system, computer network, theory of computation. In theory of computation also we have done lots and lots of practice, especially the decidability where the people find it very difficult. There we have done lots and lots of practice on that topic. So you will be overwhelmed with the amount of questions that you will be getting in the lectures itself. And also those questions are from the standard university, those questions are from the standard resources. It's not that we just take some pyq and we just change the value and we are saying that it's like a new question. Okay, new question means new question only. Obviously we also solve gate pyqs. Along with the gate pyqs, okay, we also solve some of the standard exam pyqs. For example, tifr, if that is relevant to the gate, then we also solve that. So tifr pyq, gate pyqs, and also the standard university questions, their midterm and term, whatever is relevant for gate. And also standard books like navathe course, and there are many other books like galvin is there. So from standard books, if we find any question which is relevant, so everything we just take, like I can say everything we consolidate it and then we provide to you. So you will be finding a large amount of questions in the lectures itself. So you, in fact, you will not be having time, okay, to even do the practice outside the lecture. Then definitely we have many other things apart from the lectures. For example, weekly quizzes are there, and that is there in the slides. Basically, we will just share. So weekly quizzes are there, and test series is there, and you can definitely practice from in some of the subjects we also provided the homework or practice sets. So for example, in data structures, in C programming, also for most of the topics we have provided the practice set homework. And obviously as we are promising this year, we are providing more and more questions. So that will be in the form of either weekly quizzes or the practice set, or in the more test series questions like that. So you will be getting many questions from many, in the various forms, either in the form of lecture, or in the form of the weekly quiz, or in the form of the text series or practice set, and so on. Okay, and you can definitely practice gate cac pyqs. So there is a large, large choices of the practice. You can practice from many places.
Yes. So from the Go classes lectures, from the Go classes weekly quizzes, homework practice set, from the Go classes test series, and GATE CS PYQs, UGC NET, ISRO, NILIT, TIFR PYQs, our dedicated practice sessions. So there will be no lack of practice. There will be no shortage of practice. One more example I want to give you. In compiler design, there is a topic lexical analyzer. You just ask anyone who has studied lexical analyzer from Go classes. You just talk to them and they will let you know that we have done many different type of questions in the lexical analyzer. And let me tell you, at least 10 different type of questions are so far not asked in the gate exam. Yesterday I and Sachin were discussing that in lexical analyzer, right now if you watch our Go classes lexical analyzer lectures, you will see that many different type of questions we have done. And in those different type of questions, there are some type of questions which of course we collected from the standard resources, and we provided the solution in the lecture. Basically we solved them. So all the different type of questions that we did, many of them have not yet come in the gate exam. In the future they can come. So I and Sachin were discussing yesterday that for the next 10 year, if they ask any question from lexical analyzer, any new question which has not come in the gate exam so far, which is not PYQ based, any new type of question if they ask from the lexical analyzer, then most probably that is already covered. It's like already the different type of questions that we have covered in the lexical analyzer, many of those type of questions have not yet been asked in the gate exam. They are for future gate py, basically they are for future gate exam. So it's like for the next 10 years we can say that from lexical analyzer whatever different type of question will come, most probably that is already available in our lectures. So that is the level of practice that we do, that is the amount of practice that we do. So there will be no shortage of practice, remember. And the next feature, that is toppers handwritten notes. You may have seen that our toppers handwritten notes are very much in demand. Maybe you have seen on the social media, students keep asking for, Karan Agarwal ke go classes ke notes, go classes ke quantum city ke notes, go classes ke Aditya ke notes. Okay, so basically you may have seen this on the social media. So go classes notes, okay, from the go classes lectures, the go classes notes written by toppers like Karan Agarwal, All India Rank 102, Quantum City, Sresh Rathod, so he was All India Rank 107, and Aditya Rathod. So you can see all these are gate toppers, and toppers handwritten notes of go classes, these are also provided to you. So remember, annotated notes we provide from the lecture. With every lecture, annotated notes are provided to you. Also toppers handwritten notes, they are also provided to you. So these are also very useful. The next feature is all gate PYQs video solution with complete analysis. So this word is actually very important, complete analysis. So every gate PYQ that we solve with the complete analysis, like what are the variations possible, what is the meaning of this option, why this option is correct, why this option is wrong. Basically we do the complete post-mortem, we do the complete analysis of each and every gate PYQ. So we provide you gate PYQs detailed video solution with complete analysis. That is one of our very important feature.
Right. So next is revision and marathons after syllabus completion. So once the syllabus is completed, there will be already, like, for almost all the subjects we have taken many marathons. Like for example, in operating systems we have taken the marathon for system call and any difficult topic. For example, in algorithms also we have taken the marathon for DFS, BFS, and all the graph algorithms marathon we have taken. For the time complexity marathon we have taken. So we have already taken many marathons. So we will be adding more marathons. So once the syllabus is complete, for the revision purpose, you can watch those marathons, and also we will be adding more marathons. So this is one of the important feature, because in the marathons we just do not cover the basics, like just ऊपर से ऐसा नहीं है कि ऊपर से हमने cover किया. In marathons also we have covered everything in detail with the proof, everything, just like the main course. It's just like a compact version of the main course. In marathon we just we actually we tend to prove everything in the marathons also, so that your revision, for the revision you don't have to go to the main course. So for the revision you can refer the marathon, or you can also obviously refer your own notes, or the notes provided by us, which are our toppers notes.
So after syllabus completion, you can watch go classes revision and marathon sessions also you can watch. Particularly, let me tell you that this year in 2026, for gate 2026, Sachin sir took one marathon, a one shot session for multi-level paging. Okay, and that got so famous. You can watch on the Go Classes YouTube channel. You can write on the YouTube. You can write multi-level paging Go Classes. Okay, one single video. In that single video, complete multi-level paging from the beginning till the end, with practice, with gate PYQs in a single session. Everything is covered. So if you did not even study multi-level paging, let's assume if you have never studied multi-level paging, then in that session, in that single video, multi-level paging has been taught from scratch, from beginning till the end, with practice, with gate PYQs, everything. So basically that kind of sessions also we take. We have taken many sessions, many I can say revision sessions, marathon sessions we have taken. For SQL, you can see there are 3 sessions. Okay, for SQL on YouTube, you can search SQL Go classes. Only in 3 lectures, we have covered the complete SQL, and students have given amazing feedback for that. Okay, because only by watching those 3, I can say those 3 sessions of SQL, only by watching that, you can solve all the SQL questions of Gate PYQs. So that kind of, I can say, support, or I can say revision marathons, these also we provide after the syllabus completion. And of course, once you prepare for the GATE computer science or for GATE DA with Go classes, then you will become enabled. I can say you will automatically be enabled to crack other CSDA competitive exams. So with Go classes GATE preparation, let me tell you, you can crack interviews of M.Tech admission, M.Tech research, M.Tech RA, MS, basically in IITs, in IISc Bangalore. Okay, the interviews you can crack. You can crack PGEE exam of IIIT Hyderabad. You can crack CMI exam, ISI exam, TIFR, BITS exam, and many other exams like ISRO, BARC. Okay, many other exams that are conducted which are similar to the GATE computer science syllabus or to the GATE DA syllabus. So basically all these exams, these also you can easily crack with our course. So remember, it's a GATE complete course, but it will provide you, other than GATE, it will make you, I can say, it will make you enough skilled, it will make you enough knowledgeable that you can crack all these exams that I told you about. Okay, so these are many different exams that you can crack if you are prepared for GATE computer science or for GATE DA with Go classes. Our course is in depth, so interviews also you can crack with our course. And one more thing, many students who do not follow our complete course, they also, for the interview preparation, they follow our courses. They follow our linear algebra course after the GATE exam. For the interview preparation, many students, they follow our linear algebra course. Basically, linear algebra for GATE DA, that complete course is freely available on the goclasses website, also on the goclasses app. So after the GATE exam, many students, they follow our linear algebra for GATE DA, this course they follow, and it helped them in the interview, basically in the interview preparation, and they crack interview with the help of this course. Okay, and we have gotten many feedback that, sir, because of your linear algebra course, I was able to get admission into IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, M.Tech RA, M.Tech research, because I watched your linear algebra complete course and some other courses also, which were very helpful in the interview preparation. So because of the depth, remember, maybe for a moment, maybe with rote learning, maybe you can, maybe some student, not many, but maybe let's assume 1 or 2 student can get, let's assume, top rank in the GATE exam even with rote learning. But remember, in the interview, when you have 7 or 8 professor, IIT professor in front of you, and they are asking you question within question, they are basically they are asking you counter question, then you must have in-depth knowledge, you must have a good understanding of the concept. If you have clear, complete and correct understanding, then easily you can crack any interview. So that's what I'm telling you, that with our GATE complete course, GATE CS or GATE DA complete course, you can crack all other CS or DA competitive exams. So that is another benefit that you get. Many exams you can crack, remember, not only GATE, but other than GATE also many exams you can crack.
Also, there will be the general sessions. In the general sessions, we generally take the general doubts ki sir preparation में like students ask generally ask कि sir preparation में ये difficulty आ रही है या फिर ये subject को कैसे revise करना है, short notes बनाने हैं नहीं बनाने, long notes बनाने हैं नहीं बनाने. Yeah, but there are like many general questions that the students have. So for that we have the mentorship sessions, and those sessions are live. There you can unmute yourself and you can ask your doubts in the voice format. Okay, so you can ask your doubts in the voice format in the mentorship sessions. So there will be the mentorship sessions, which will be like frequency of the mentorship sessions, like generally once in a month. And obviously like initially for initial 2-3 months we don't have the much mentorship session, क्योंकि इस टाइप के कोई जनरल डाउट्स आते नहीं है इनिशियल 2-3 मंथ्स में. लेटर ऑन व्हेन दे गेट मोर इन्वॉल्व इन द प्रिपरेशन, then they start getting such doubts, and for that we resolve those doubts in the mentorship session.
So mentorship sessions will be live, and you can turn on your mic, you can talk to us, you can basically have conversation with us. You don't have to write your doubt. You can just turn on your mic and you can talk to us. And remember, mentorship sessions are also recorded, and the recording will be available to you. So you can watch. If you miss the mentorship session, then also you can watch it. The point is very simple, that any live session, whether it is technical, non-technical, mentorship session, any live session that we have, that if you miss, then also you don't have to worry. Then also you don't have to worry, because the recorded session will be available to you. Okay.
So after once the gate is over, some of the student message us that sir interview के लिए कैसे preparation करना है, because in many IITs and many other colleges there are like interviews, and also apart from the IITs interview there are like there are other exams, like for example PGW examination is there, BARC examination is there, and there are many other examinations. So for that many students message us, and we definitely reply to them regarding the post gate guidance. So there will be the post gate guidance. If you have any doubt, you can definitely reach out to us, and you can clear your doubts. For example, if you are having doubt कि IIT बॉम्बे में मुझे मतलब इंटरव्यू देना है, तो उसके लिए what are the subjects I have to study. Generally like it depends on the pool that you are choosing. So based on that we generally suggest कि आप एक बार उनके एलुमनी से बात कर लो, और एक बार गूगल सर्च कर लो, and also based on that, and like based on our experience also, we tell them that okay, these are the subjects generally they ask, but you can do your own research also, and then you start your preparation right away. So post gate guidance means that that on this particular marks, will I be getting the any IIT or ISC or anything. Based on our experience we share the things, and also we ask them to do their on Google search, because generally these cutoffs keep on changing every year, and obviously we have to apply, and then we need to see if we are getting selected or not. So we provide the post gate guidance in that form.
Let me take 2 or 3 doubts from the chat. Some students are frequently asking these doubts. Let me quickly go through 2-3 doubts. Some Go classes old students are asking, if they want to extend, will they get discount? So let me tell them that yes, you can get extension with 20% discount. Okay. So if you want to extend for 1 year, if you want to enroll for GATE 2027 course, then you will get 20% discount. All you have to do, just send a mail to us. Okay. contact@goclasses.in. This is our email ID. If you are an old student, if you are Go classes enrolled student in any course, then in any complete course, basically in GATE CS complete course or GATE DA complete course or GATE CS plus DA combo complete course, and if you want to extend your course, or I can say if you want to enroll for GATE 2027 complete course, then you will get 20% discount. This 20% discount is for our Go classes old students. You can send a mail to us. Okay, contact@goclasses.in. Another doubt some students are asking in the chat, when the test series will release. The test series we will release for GATE 2027 in the March month. Okay, around March mid, or I can say that around, I can say 20 March. Okay, when GATE result will be out. So near that we will launch the GATE 2027 test series. Okay, so many students are asking when the GATE test series will be available. So that will be available in the month of March. Okay, so okay, now let me just go through some more slides, some more points, then I will take your doubts in the chat also. Okay, now let's discuss, after all the features, now let me discuss some major updates, some major changes in our GATE CS complete course, also in our GATE DA complete course. what are the additional things you will get this year in comparison with the last year. So what are the new additions in our Gate Complete course? What are the major changes, major additions basically? So let me discuss here. So major changes and updates in our Gate CS course. So let me discuss. Actually, we want to solve one issue. You may have seen that almost only one criticism we face, that is Go classes. Okay, can anyone tell me what is the major criticism of Go classes CS Complete course? This is a question. Have you seen on the social media platform? Maybe you have seen, that whenever someone criticize Go classes, then almost all the time, almost 95% time, 99% time, basically there is one particular point they use. Okay, can anyone tell me what is that? Almost like the only criticism of Go classes, almost only. Of course, there can be more areas to improve. Okay, I don't deny that. So there are many more areas to improve. Improvement possibilities will always be there. Okay, even after 20 years, even after 20 years also, improvement possibilities will always be there. Okay, I'm not saying that we have become, perfect. Our course has become perfect. Perfection will never come. Okay, it's all about improvement, that we can improve, year by year we can improve. This is what we can do. Okay, whatever were the, I can say, जो भी कमियां थी अभी तक, उनको improve करो, फिर जो भी कमियां रहेंगी उनको फिर से improve करो. Even after 20 years, 50 years also, I think we will never be past, कि कमियां नहीं है, अब improvement की कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है. The possibility of improvement is always going to be there. The perfection will never come. But we want to address a particular criticism, or I can say the major criticism of Go classes. Can anyone tell me what is that? So let me tell you. If you don't know, let me tell you. Maybe you have seen this, that almost everyone who criticizes Go classes, they will say that the course length, that is almost 1100 hours. Basically, the length of the course, that is major criticism of Go classes you may have seen. Okay, I think you will agree with me. Other than that, even other than this point, even our, I can say, biggest critics, okay, they also admit that yes, quality is there. Yes, they teach from the standard resources. Yes, they solve standard practice questions, standard resources questions they solve. They provide proof. All these things, almost everyone will agree. Okay, I think not almost, actually all will agree. Okay, so everyone will tell you that these are the pros, or I can say these are the benefits of Go classes. Everyone will tell you, but they can tell you that the course length is more. Okay, so the course length, the complete course, the Gate CS complete course I am talking about. So you can see for the Gate CS complete course, this is about CS, not DA. Okay, so the Gate CS complete course length, that is around 1100 hours. That is criticism. Now let me tell you that has been resolved. Okay, this criticism, this has been solved. Okay, and let me tell you how we have solved it. Can anyone guess how we have solved this criticism? Basically, we have taken action from our side. We have put efforts from our side to tackle this particular issue, so that our course becomes even better. If you are enrolling in our course, then you get even better experience. Okay, so let me share with you that this issue, how we have solved, with the help of compact courses. Okay, I told you last year, this word compact courses, instead of this word we were using the word summary, but that was misleading, because our compact courses, these are not crash courses. These are equivalent to the main course, but they are to the point, very concise. Okay, so remember that our compact course, that is also, the length of the compact course is also, I can say, equal or bigger than the main course of many coaching institutes. Okay, so remember, our compact course is not a short notes, it's not a crash course. No, it's it's like main course of other institutes. Okay, you can think like this, that it is basically as long as, it is basically as big as comprehensive as the other institutes, but minus misconception plus quality. Okay, plus variations plus standard questions. Okay, so these things. So overall, I can tell you that our compact courses, these are equivalent to our main course. Okay, and one more thing I will tell you. Okay, just let me tell you about our compact courses here. So what are the existing compact courses? Let me tell you. You can see for GATE these are the existing compact courses: discrete mathematics, theory of computation, DBMS. Some topics in DBMS are still, I can say, are yet to be covered. Okay, but 50% is covered already. Okay, so you can see digital logic design. So overall, I can say these are the existing compact courses. For big subject, you can see at least these three are the big subject. Okay, discrete mathematics, theory of computation, DBMS, digital logic design. So these are the existing compact courses, and new compact courses we are launching this year. Let me tell you, two new compact courses I will bring, two new compact courses Sachin sir will bring. So already we have four existing compact courses. Now two new compact courses I am going to bring, and two Sachin sir. So total 8 compact courses will be there this year. Okay, so let me share with you here. These are the new compact courses on your screen. You can see we will bring compact courses of operating system and computer networks. These two will be brought by Sachin sir. And these two, compiler design and computer architecture and organization, these two will be brought by me. Okay, so total 8 compact courses will be there.
So basically, we already have four compact courses, right? As you know, which are there on the previous slide. Yes, so on this slide you have everything. So four compact courses we already have. Yes, one topic might be left in DBMS, which will be covered definitely in the compact courses that is not there. And also some of the students are in the chat. They are saying that sir, please don't remove the main course. Obviously, main courses will be there. Okay, we are not removing it. Compact courses is just additional feature that we are telling. Okay, just one additional thing that we are telling. So total there will be 8 compact courses, and with the help of compact course you can finish your syllabus if you don't have enough time, because since you are enrolling in February, so you might not be having the trouble of time. But suppose someone is enrolling in July, someone is enrolling in August, at that time they feel the trouble of completing the complete main course. So at that time they can definitely watch compact course, because those compact course in terms of the quality, as we are repeatedly saying, in terms of the quality, they are as good as the main course. Okay, there are few things which are like proofs which are not there, not might be there in the compact course, because the name is saying compact course, right? So number of questions and the quality of the questions, everything will be almost same as the main course, which means that while watching the compact course you can easily solve most of the gate PYQs, right? So you can refer the compact courses. Till now 4 compact courses. Now this year I will also be bringing 2 more compact courses, and Deepak sir will also be bringing 2 more compact courses.
So basically, you might be thinking, what is the difference between the main course and the compact course? So let me tell you, the only difference that matters to you, that is from the gate exam point of view, both are equivalent. Okay, very strictly I'm telling you. Remember, I want you to get top rank, of course. Okay, so I will never give you any suggestion that can stop you from getting a top rank. I want to see, some student getting all India rank 1, many students getting top 100 rank, many more students getting top 500 rank. Okay, so basically, of course, if you are coming to go classes, you are enrolling in go classes, then it is our responsibility that we provide you everything so that you can become a topper. If you are preparing for the gate exam, you are not preparing to get 20 marks, 25 marks. Okay, you don't want to just qualify, right? So your aim, your goal is also to get a top rank. Okay, maybe single digit, maybe top 100, maybe top 500, maybe top 1000, whatever is your purpose. Depending on that, you want top rank, and we also want to see you get a top rank. So never ever we will give you any suggestion which will stop you from getting the top rank. So if I am saying to everyone, to all the go classes enrolled students, if I am saying that compact course is equivalent to the main course from the gate exam point of view, then it simply means I am telling everyone, right? It's like a broadcast. I am doing broadcast. Okay, so it's for everyone. So remember, when we make compact course, we already have in our mind that we should make sure that after watching this compact course, at least 95% or 98% gate PYQs these students should be able to solve. Okay, that is the whole purpose. So it's not a crash course. Please understand. It's not a crash course that after watching this only 40% PYQs you will be able to solve, which are the easy questions. Okay, after the crash course, only easy PYQs you will be able to solve. No, it's not a crash course. It is, as I can say, as quality. The quality wise, it is as good as the main course. What are the differences you will be thinking? So let me tell you. It is basically to the point. Means we don't try to motivate you why we study this topic. This type of things we try to skip in the compact course. In the compact course, basically we go very to the point. Okay, very concise, very precise, to the point, that okay, these are the concepts, these are the topics that we need to study. In every topic, these are the concepts we need to study. So let's study all the concepts one by one. But remember, once we start a concept, then the quality wise, this compact course and this main course, these are basically equivalent. Okay, another difference that can be in the number of proof. In the compact course, we provide proof which are necessary. Okay, the proof which we think that you must understand this proof. Okay, this is like mandatory proof to understand, then that proof will be provided to you in the compact course. And if there is a proof which we think this is not necessary for the gate exam, then that proof is covered in the main course, but we will skip it in the compact course. I hope you are getting the idea that the difference between main course and compact course, that is not the I can say quality wise. That is basically in terms of some unnecessary proof that we feel that okay, this is unnecessary proof from gate exam point of view, let's skip it in the compact course, but yes, it is covered in the main course. Okay, but the necessary proof, if we feel that this proof is, let's assume, 10% necessary, 20% necessary, then also that proof will be covered in the compact course. Okay, and the variety of questions, the variations, the complete analysis, all these things we do in the compact course also. So compact course is not a crash course. Again, I'm telling you. Okay, crash course, when institutes they bring crash course, then they basically teach you only those things using which you can solve the easiest question only. Only the easy question of the gate PYQ you will be able to solve. And the new questions next year, the new questions that will come, those you will not be able to solve. Okay, the new questions that will come, those you will not be able to solve. But from our compact course, you will be able to solve the gate PYQs, easy, hard, moderate, conceptual, tricky, every type of gate PYQ you will be able to solve. You will be able to solve the future gate questions also. Okay, so the compact courses, that is the reason we have changed the name. Last year the name was summary, but many students they sent me messages. I got at least 100 messages, or maybe more than that. I got that, sir, this summary course, is it like a crash course? Because the name is summary, so is it like a crash course? Is it I can say not as good as main course? This type of doubt many students had. So we have changed the name because the summary word was misleading. So now we are calling it compact course, because this word compact course, this does justice to the quality of the compact course. Okay, one more thing. For example, our theory of computation course is around 150 hours. Okay, almost 150 hours. That is our theory of computation course. Our compact course is also around 80-90 hours. So you can see our compact course is not a crash course की 30 घंटे 20 घंटे या 20-25 घंटे के अंदर खत्म हो गया, 30 घंटे में खत्म हो गया, ऐसा नहीं है. ठीक है, वो भी प्रॉपर कोर्स है, पूरा का पूरा 70-80 या 90 आवर्स का प्रॉपर कोर्स है, सारा सब कुछ उसके अंदर भी कवर्ड है, सारे गेट पीवाईक्यू उससे भी आप कर पाओगे. दैट इज द होल पर्पस. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. Okay, so I hope you understood clearly the difference between compact course and main course. One more thing, if you are starting your preparation with Go classes in the month of February, you can go with main course or you can go with compact course, your choice. Again I am telling you, it's not like कि आपके पास टाइम कम है तो आप compact course देख लो, ऐसा नहीं. आपके पास टाइम ज्यादा है, टाइम कम है, कैसी भी सिचुएशन है, कॉम्पैक्ट कोर्स आप देख सकते हो, मेन कोर्स को आप स्किप कर सकते हो, या फिर आप मेन कोर्स देख सकते हो, कॉम्पैक्ट कोर्स को आप रिवीजन के लिए रख लो या स्किप कर सकते हो. ठीक है, आपके पास एक चॉइस है कि आप, अगर आपको लगता है कि यार मेरे पास टाइम है, मैं फरवरी में या मार्च में या अप्रैल में मैं अपनी तैयारी शुरू कर रहा हूं. इफ यू आर स्टार्टिंग योर गेट 2027 प्रिपरेशन फॉर कंप्यूटर साइंस इन फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, then if you are thinking okay, I can go with the main course, then go ahead. Okay, this compact course you can watch, at 2x speed for revision in the month of December, January, or you can skip it. That is your choice. Okay, But if you are starting, let's assume if you are starting in July, August, okay, अगर आप ये जो वीडियो ये आप जुलाई अगस्त में देख रहे हो, जुलाई अगस्त सितंबर में आप देख रहे हो, then if you are starting your GATE computer science preparation for 2027, then what you can do, you can skip the main course and you can watch the compact courses. Okay, so basically you have complete freedom. मेन कोर्स हटा नहीं रहे हैं, आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि ये जो क्रिटिसिज्म था कि यार गो क्लासेस का कोर्स लंबे होते हैं, गो क्लासेस के कोर्स लंबे इसलिए होते हैं क्योंकि उनके अंदर हर कॉन्सेप्ट को डिटेल में पढ़ाया गया है, कंप्लीट एनालिसिस के साथ, प्रूफ के साथ, इंट्यूशन के साथ, और बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिस की गई है। लेक्चर के अंदर ही बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिस की गई है, ठीक है, लेक्चर के अंदर ही गेट पीवाईक्यू भी करवाए गए हैं। इस वजह से वो कोर्स की लेंथ जो है वो 1100 आवर्स की है। उसका जो रीजन है, उसका रीजन ये नहीं है कि उस लेक्चर के अंदर टाइम वेस्ट किया जा रहा है। हमारा कोई भी टेक्निकल लेक्चर आप देखो, शुरू से एंड तक हम कोई टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते। आप शुरू से एंड तक हम हमारा खुद का प्रमोशन भी नहीं करते। आप देख लो, कोई भी वीडियो आप उठा लो, पहली सेकंड से लेके लास्ट सेकंड तक हमारा, हम कंटेंट, कॉन्सेप्ट, प्रैक्टिस, ये सारी चीजें ही करते हैं, ठीक है। फिर भी जो कोर्स की जो लेंथ है 1100 आवर्स है, उसका रीजन मैंने आपको बता दिया, क्योंकि उसके अंदर हर कॉन्सेप्ट प्रूफ के साथ पढ़ाया हुआ है, कंप्लीट एनालिसिस के साथ पढ़ाया हुआ है, बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिस करवाई हुई है, डिफरेंट वेराइटी ऑफ क्वेश्चंस करवाए हुए हैं, वेरिएशंस हैं, स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चंस हैं, गेट पीवाईक्यूज हैं, वो भी लेक्चर्स के अंदर करवाए हुए हैं। उसके अलावा आई थिंक, हाँ, तो ये सारी चीजें हमने क्या है कि लेक्चर्स के अंदर करवाई हैं, उस वजह से वो क्या है कि कोर्स की जो लेंथ है वो बड़ी है, ठीक है। सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड कि you have a choice now. Basically, when you enroll for the Go classes gatecse complete course, then you will see that there is a discrete maths main course, discrete mathematics compact course, okay, theory of computation main course, theory of computation compact course, like that. For 8 subject there are main courses, compact courses, okay, so these will be there, okay. 4 compact courses are already available, immediately you will get, and 4 additional compact courses to Sachin, to me. So basically 2 plus 2 4 additional new compact courses that we will bring. These will be covered live, okay, we will teach them live, okay, according to a schedule. The schedule we will provide you in the orientation session. But overall, I think after this year, or I can say that all the students who will enroll for GATE 2027, I think they will never have a complaint that the Go classes course was lengthy or something like that, okay. We are putting our efforts so that we can overcome our, I can say, our own criticism, okay. We want to solve, we want to make ourselves better. So you can see here on the screen that if you follow all the main courses for GATE CS, I am talking about the GATE CS. If you follow GATE CS complete course of Go classes, if you follow all the main courses, then you will see that the course length is around 1100 hours, okay. But you can see we have solved this problem. So with compact courses, and remember compact courses are equivalent to the main course, so with compact courses, these are to the point course, very concise course, okay, to the point, equivalent to the main course. With compact courses you will get 750 hours, almost, I can say that almost 750 hours you can complete your syllabus completion, okay, with Go classes. So you can see this is a huge difference. I think it's around 350 hours, okay, because for 8 subject, 8 compact courses, 8 main courses will be there, compact courses will be there, okay. So overall, at any point you can decide that according to the time that you have, if you are preparing with job, if you are preparing with college, if you are preparing late, if you are starting your preparation at a later point of time, maybe in July, August, okay. Basically for all the type of students, now Go classes has made itself better, okay. अब अगर आप जॉब के साथ भी तैयारी कर रहे हो तो भी आपको कोई भी इशू नहीं आएगा, ओके, नो इशू। अगर आप अगस्त में भी शुरू करना चाहते हो, जुलाई में भी शुरू करते हो, ठीक है, ऑफ कोर्स आपको अपना एफर्ट ज्यादा डालना पड़ेगा। जो फरवरी में शुरू करेगा उसके कंपैरिजन में भाई आपको, अगर आप जुलाई में शुरू कर रहे हो, अगस्त में शुरू कर रहे हो, तो आपको एफर्ट भी उसके अकॉर्डिंग डालना पड़ेगा। बट फ्रॉम Go classes साइड वी हैव रिजॉल्व्ड दिस इशू, आई कैन से, okay. So now for each and every student, whether you are fresher, whether you are repeater, with job, with college, dropout, basically any type of student you are, and whether you start early, whether you start late, for all the type of students, now Go classes has made itself better, I can say. Our course is now much better than our, I can say, the last year criticism we have resolved. Okay. So, okay. So these are the summary of the major changes in our GateCS complete course. So in the GateCS complete course, you can see 4 new compact courses will be there. Total 8 compact courses. Sachin sir is bringing operating system and computer network, and I am bringing compiler design and computer organization. Okay. So many more weekly quizzes will be there. Already 100 weekly quizzes are there. Many more weekly quizzes will be there. Much more practice of standard questions. Okay. So हम स्टैंडर्ड रिसोर्सेज के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते रहेंगे, चाहे कोई कुछ भी बोले. स्टैंडर्ड रिसोर्सेज के, स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स के जो प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस हैं वो हम सॉल्व करते रहेंगे. ओके. ताकि यही क्वेश्चन जब गेट में आएंगे फ्यूचर में, जब यही क्वेश्चन जो स्टैंडर्ड रिसोर्सेज के जो क्वेश्चन है, स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स के जो क्वेश्चन है, यही गेट में आते हैं. जब ये क्वेश्चन गेट में आएंगे तब यू विल बी लाइक दिस दैट ओके, ये तो देखा था, ये तो मतलब मैंने गो क्लासेस के लेक्चर में देखा था, मैंने गो क्लासेस की क्विज में देखा था, टेस्ट सीरीज में देखा था. तो इस तरह से आप 2026 के एस्पिरेंट से पूछ सकते हो. सचिन, वो डीएफएस का एक अच्छा सा जो क्वेश्चन आया था,
Yes, yes.
डीयू डीवी एफयू एफवी, वो क्वेश्चन गो क्लासेस की अभी अभी कुछ स्टूडेंट शेयर कर रहे थे 2-3 दिन पहले, अभी कल परसों ही स्टूडेंट शेयर कर रहे थे कि ये गो क्लासेस की टेस्ट
AIMT
सीरीज
में
में
था.
एआईएमटी में है ना. हाँ, तो
हम्म.
वो गो क्लासेस के ऑल इंडिया मॉक टेस्ट के अंदर एज इट इज था. ओके, आप उसको चेक करो. सो बहुत सारे ऐसे क्वेश्चन हैं जो गेट 2026 में पहली बार आए और वो गो क्लासेस के लेक्चर्स में या फिर क्विजेज में या फिर टेस्ट सीरीज के अंदर अवेलेबल थे.
So these were the changes that we have discussed in Gate CSE. Now let us also discuss the major changes that we are going to do in the Gate DA course. Okay. So in Gate DA for 2027, we have few major changes. One of the major change will be there will be completely new for the linear algebra module 2. There will be the completely new lectures. It will be newly taught. All the lectures will be new for the linear algebra module 2. There are few changes which we have obviously not written, like few small changes we have not written. We have just written the major changes. For example, there will be changes in the calculus which we have not written. Okay, there will be the major changes in the machine learning course also with the standard practice. So the machine learning course is almost almost perfect, I can say. But still I feel okay, there are like few areas which we can change, a few lectures which we can replace, and we can make them better. Although we have not received any single negative feedback about the machine learning course, people are already loving, students are already loving the course. But still from our side we want to put the efforts for the machine learning course. So linear algebra module 2 will be completely new. Currently, in terms of the weekly quizzes, we have around 65 weekly quizzes for gate DA, but definitely there will be even more weekly quizzes. Okay, this year there will be even more weekly quizzes for gate DA also. So many more weekly quizzes will be there. Linear algebra module 2 will be completely new, because currently I feel that the module 2 is a bit longer than needed. Okay, not only longer, there are like few topics which should be which can be actually taught very nicely if we teach them again. Considering all the factors, we decided that okay, linear algebra module 2 we can teach fully new. And there will be other changes in many other subjects. For example, there will be changes in AI, there will be changes in probability, like hypothesis testing, right? We have not written it here, but the hypothesis testing also will be new, which will be taken by me. So there are there are like many other changes which we have not written, because we have only written the major changes, I can say. Okay, so yes, so this is for gate DA, because there has been many comments about the gate DA also. Students are asking, sir, gate DA ka bhi batao. So this is for gate DA. And yeah.
Yes, so these are the major changes in our gate DA complete course. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, that is.
So many more weekly quizzes will be there. Already, I think 70 weekly quizzes are there, right?
Yes, around 65 or 70.
So around
Yes.
65 or 70 weekly quizzes are already there in the Gate DA complete course, and many more will be there. And there will be major changes in the machine learning course also with standard practice. Okay. So these are the major changes in our Gate DA complete course.
Yes. And now for the doubt resolution, you can definitely ask in the telegram group. You will be added in a private telegram group. There you can ask your doubts. And grok is one of, you can say, the mentor for goclasses student. He is helping many students with with their doubt resolution. And he is already very popular with the name grok. Obviously his real name is not grok, his real name is something else, but on the telegram his username is grok. And he has already achieved all India rank 62. And apart from his rank, okay, apart from his gate rank, his knowledge is too good. If you ask him any question, there are many I can say students who can witness this. If you ask any question to grok, if you tag him, he will be replying even with the like most of the time he reply with the standard book quote. He says that okay, in this book it is written like that. So he has got AIR1 in UGC net. He has got AIR 62 in GateCS. So he's very popular in GateCS private Telegram group. You can definitely ask your doubts in the live sessions. You can in the live sessions you can chat or you can turn on your mic. So if you don't want to turn on your mic, you can definitely chat with us. And if you want, then you can also turn on your mic and you can ask your doubts in the live session also. Obviously on the gate overflow website you can definitely tag us with tag me or Deepak, where we will be replying. Okay, our usernames we will be sharing in the orientation session on for the gate overflow. Okay, there you can tag us and then you can ask your doubt. So our weekly quizzes and our test series are on the gate overflow website. If you have any doubt in the weekly quiz or in the test series, then you can tag us and then you can ask your doubts. You can also message us on the telegram. Like personally if you message, we try to reply, but sometimes we miss it. So we are just saying that you can ask in the group, but you can definitely message us personally. There are many replies that we do, but sometimes we also miss the replies. But if you ask in the group, your doubt will be most probably resolved by either me, Deepak, or grok. Most probably it will be resolved by grok. And there are many active students also. They tend to help each other. So it is very good community. You can ask your doubts in the telegram group. So there will not be any lack of doubt resolution. You can ask your doubt at many places.
So let me tell you that we have for the enrolled student, Gate CS complete course enrolled student, or for Gate DA complete course enrolled student, we have three type of groups. There is a private discussion group where you can discuss your doubts. There is a alumni group where our previous toppers are present, who are currently studying in top colleges, or they are currently doing job. Okay, our gate 2022 topper, 2023 topper, 2024, 2025 topper, basically our previous toppers, they are also available in the alumni group. So you can talk to them. Okay, those they are doing job in a top company, or they are already studying in a top college, so you can have conversation with them. That is our private alumni group. Okay, also there is a private announcement group where we make all the important announcements. Okay, in the announcement group, only admin can write, only we can write, you cannot write. So that is the purpose of announcement group, is just to provide you all the important announcements, all the important news, the schedule. Okay, everything, basically anything that is important, that is shared in the announcement group, okay, from our side. And there is private discussion group for any type of discussion, for any doubt discussion. Okay, for the gate 2027, for any technical non-technical doubt discussion, you can use the discussion group. And I told you there is alumni group where you can talk to our previous toppers who are currently in a top college or doing job. Okay, now one more thing, some students are asking, sir, who is grok? Okay, let me tell you, he does not want his identity to be revealed. Okay, that is the reason we are not sharing his name. So basically, I know him for the last 5 years. Okay, he has been helping the gate community, the gate computer science community, the gate da community. He has been helping for the last 5 years. Okay, and last year, almost 1 year back, we basically invited him. He is actually senior. Let me tell you, he is senior than us. Okay, I and Sachin, he is senior than us. Okay, he is our senior. He is our senior. So basically, he does not want his identity to be revealed. That is the reason we are not telling you his name. Okay, but you ask any GATE 2026 aspirant who was active on Telegram, in goclasses public Telegram group or goclasses private Telegram group, they will tell you that grok fan base. Okay, you can ask. Okay, can anyone tell me in the chat also? Please write, how was your experience with grok? let us know. Any student in the Go classes public Telegram group, in the private Telegram group, how was your experience with Grok? Okay, almost every doubt Grok answers. Okay, let me tell you, he is a gate topper. He is gate computer science topper, multiple times top 100 ranker, UGC net all India rank 1, and he is senior than us. Okay, he is, I can say, not our junior, he is our senior. So you can see that he will be resolving almost all your doubts on the Telegram. Okay, in the Telegram private group, when you join after enrolling, when you enroll in our complete course, in our Gate complete course, you can send a mail to us to join our Telegram groups. Okay, I told you 3 type of Telegram groups, so please send a mail to us to join our Telegram groups. Okay, once you join the Telegram group, there you will automatically see that there is a person whom everyone is tagging. There is a person who is solving almost every doubt. That person is Grok. Okay, and you can ask, you can discuss with him all your doubts throughout the preparation. Okay, he is like, I can say, when it comes to doubt solving, he is like one man army, I can say, for all the Gate computer science subjects, for the entire Gate CS preparation. When it comes to doubt solving, he is like the one man army. He also follows standard resources just like us. Okay, he, when you ask him a doubt, he can immediately send you a screenshot of the standard resources. Okay, so you can see he is basically a quality person. Okay, so no, Grok is not Arjun sir. Arjun sir is different. Arjun Suresh sir is different. He is Gate Overflow founder. Okay, Arjun Suresh sir, he is different. Okay, Grok is another person. Okay, so in the chat, maybe students who had experience, students who had good experience with Grok, you can share your experience. You can see some students are saying goated. Okay, so you can see some students are saying Grok fan base. Okay, this type of comments some students are putting. Okay, so basically, to discuss your doubts, you can join our private Telegram group and you can discuss all your doubts in the live session. You can turn on your mic and you can discuss your doubts. Okay, you can send personal Telegram messages also, but we will always recommend that first you put your doubt in the group. Okay, this is like the first thing, that first you put your doubt in the discussion group. Immediately the Grok or someone else, or I can say the community, will immediately answer your doubt. Okay, that is the first thing to do. Okay, then I can say in the live session you can ask. Okay, in the personal Telegram group also you can ask. Okay, so you can prefer. Now let me tell you why you should join Go classes. What is the reason you should join Go classes, or I can say what is different in Go classes. So let me tell you, for correct, clear, and complete understanding of every concept, you should join Go classes. This is something different that Go classes provides. If you want to understand all the concepts with proof, with intuition, with no rote learning, basically, then you can join Go classes. Okay, with no rote learning, if you want to study, if you want to understand the concepts, if you don't want to by heart the concepts, then you can join Go classes. So Go classes is for correct, clear, and complete understanding of all the concepts.
And if you ask us that why you should not be joining Go classes, then you should not join Go classes. We would say that if you are only interested in by hearting some concepts, if you're only interested in by hearting the formulas, if you're interested in by hearting the theorems, if you're interested in by hearting the tables, like for example, this is the decidability table. This decidability, by the way, one of the topic in TOC. So this is a decidability table, or this is the table of membership or something like that. If you're interested in just remembering or by hearting the tables, then obviously like we don't do it here. Okay, so then you should not join Go classes. If you're happy with the rote learning, if you want to rely upon the upon your luck, that कि अगर इजी पेपर आएगा तो मैं कर लूंगा, और या फिर एक एक ट्रेडिशनल थॉट के साथ अगर आप चल रहे हो कि यार गेट तो ऐसा ही आता है, गेट तो इजी ही आएगा, या फिर गेट में ऐसा ही पूछते हैं, है ना, अगर इस टाइप की टिपिकल थिंकिंग के साथ चल रहे हो कि हाँ गेट में यही आता है, या अपने अजम्पशंस मान के चल रहे हो, देन ऑब्वियसली यू आई मीन basically we don't rely upon the luck, we don't rely upon the easy paper. Okay, so if you're interested in these things, then you should not join Go classes. Otherwise, obviously, you are most welcome to join Go classes, and here we will be learning everything with proof, with the concepts, as we are repeatedly saying.
देखो एक चीज मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि मैंने बोला ना कि परफेक्शन तो कभी नहीं आएगा, आज से 20 साल बाद 50 साल बाद भी परफेक्शन कभी नहीं आएगा। लेकिन एक चीज जो कंसिस्टेंटली गो क्लासेस की बेस्ड रही है वो क्वालिटी लर्निंग रही है। ठीक है, कि आपको कोई भी कॉन्सेप्ट हम अगर पढ़ा रहे हैं, किसी भी सब्जेक्ट का कोई भी कॉन्सेप्ट, तो उसके अंदर कोई मिसकंसेप्शन नहीं होगा। वो स्टैंडर्ड रिसोर्सेज से पढ़ाया जाएगा, वो वेरिएशंस के साथ पढ़ाया जाएगा, प्रूफ के साथ पढ़ाया जाएगा, कंप्लीट एनालिसिस के साथ पढ़ाया जाएगा। आपको वो टॉपिक जो है उसके लिए आप ये बोल पाओगे कि मैं इसको आई अंडरस्टैंड इट। इट्स नॉट लाइक आई बाय हार्टेड एंड आई सोल्ड 5 क्वेश्चंस, ओके, कि ये फॉर्मूला रट लो और 4-5 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लो और खुश हो जाओ। ऐसा नहीं, यू कैन से कि आई अंडरस्टैंड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट, आई अंडरस्टैंड दिस सब्जेक्ट। दैट इज वन थिंग दैट हैज बीन कंसिस्टेंट इन गो क्लासेस एंड दैट विल कंटिन्यू टू बी कंसिस्टेंट इन गो क्लासेस। चाहे कितने साल निकल जाएं, ये जो स्टैंडर्ड रिसोर्सेज को फॉलो करना, स्टैंडर्ड रिसोर्सेज के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना, प्रूफ के साथ पढ़ाना, ये जो सारी चीजें हैं ये बेसिकली गो क्लासेस के साथ ही रहेंगी। ठीक है, एमआईटी के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना, स्टैनफोर्ड के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना, टॉप यूनिवर्सिटीज के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना फॉर फन, गो क्लासेज स्टूडेंट्स दे आल्सो सॉल्व टॉप यूनिवर्सिटी क्वेश्चंस फॉर फन। एक और चीज आप कभी किसी गो क्लासेज स्टूडेंट से पूछना जिसने गो क्लासेस से पढ़ा हुआ है, उससे आप पूछना, वो आपको बताएगा कि अब तो मतलब अगर कोई क्वेश्चन अगर स्टैंडर्ड रिसोर्सेज से नहीं है तो मतलब सोल्व करने का मन नहीं करता। यू कैन आस्क, ओके, दे आर सो हैबिचुअल। कुछ एक होता है ना कि एक दो सब्जेक्ट पढ़ने के बाद में, कुछ लेक्चर करने के बाद ही आपकी आदत बन जाती है कि जब तक क्वेश्चन किसी स्टैंडर्ड रिसोर्स का ना हो, स्टैंडर्ड बुक का ना हो, या एनपीटीएल का ना हो, या टॉप यूनिवर्सिटी का ना हो, बेसिकली किसी स्टैंडर्ड रिसोर्स से अगर क्वेश्चन नहीं है तो स्टूडेंट्स का क्वेश्चन सोल्व करने का मन ही नहीं करता। ठीक है, तो एक वो आदत बन जाती है, क्योंकि आप जब अगर आप रोट लर्निंग से पढ़ रहे हो तो आपकी रोट लर्निंग वाली आदत बन जाती है, फिर आपको इजी क्वेश्चन अच्छे लगते हैं कि ठीक है जो मेरे नोट्स में था वैसा सा क्वेश्चन ही मुझे अच्छा लगता है। ठीक है, लेकिन जब आप जब स्टैंडर्ड रिसोर्सेस या प्रूफ के साथ या इंट्यूशन के साथ पढ़ते हो तो क्या होता है कि आपकी एनालिटिकल स्किल इंप्रूव हो जाती है। और उसके बाद में कोई नया क्वेश्चन भी आता है जो कि नोट्स के अंदर नहीं था, कोई नया कुछ क्वेश्चन आ गया गेट के अंदर, कुछ नया फ्रेम कर दिया गेट ने, तो वो भी आप हैंडल कर लेते हो क्योंकि आपकी एनालिटिकल स्किल्स इंप्रूव हो चुकी है। तो जब आप कॉन्सेप्ट्स को समझ के पढ़ते हो, प्योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ पढ़ते हो, प्रूफ के साथ पढ़ते हो, जब इस तरह से आप पढ़ते हो कंप्लीट एनालिसिस के साथ, तो उसका एक बेनिफिट जो आपके साथ हो रहा है जो आपको पता नहीं चल रहा वो है कि आपकी एनालिटिकल स्किल्स, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स इंप्रूव हो रही है। तो अगर कल को कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ जाए जो मान लो नया क्वेश्चन है, जो नहीं था गो क्लासेस के लेक्चर में, जो नहीं था गो क्लासेस की क्विज में, जो नहीं था हमारी टेस्ट सीरीज में, नया क्वेश्चन गेट ने दे दिया, तो भी आपकी जो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल जो इंप्रूव हो चुकी है उससे आप उस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर दोगे। दैट इज वन बेनिफिट फॉर लाइफ आई कैन से। ये सिर्फ गेट प्रिपरेशन तक ही नहीं रहेगा ये बेनिफिट तो ये मान लो कि परमानेंट हो चुका आपके साथ, कि इस एक साल की तैयारी के अंदर विद गो क्लासेस योर एनालिटिकल स्किल्स, योर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स, और वो जो एक थ्री इडियट मूवी का डायलॉग है ना सचिन की, मैं आपको ये नहीं पढ़ा रहा कि मैं आपको इंजीनियरिंग नहीं पढ़ा रहा, मैं आपको पढ़ा रहा हूं पढ़ाते कैसे। तो एक सिमिलर सा डायलॉग मैं बोलना चाहता हूं कि गो क्लासेस के अंदर आप ये समझ जाओगे कि पढ़ते कैसे हैं, कैसे रिसोर्सेज को फॉलो करते हैं, कैसे पुअर रिसोर्सेज से दूर रहते हैं, ओके, और किस तरह से मतलब कोई नया क्वेश्चन उसको टैकल करते हैं, किस तरह से प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स को इंप्रूव करते हैं। ये बहुत सारी चीजें आप सीख जाओगे with go classes. This is my promise to you. This has been consistent in go classes from the very beginning, and I think that is the reason among the toppers the majority will be from go classes. ओके, अगर टॉप 100 रैंकर्स को अगर आप हर इंस्टीट्यूट के अगर देखो कि टॉप 100 रैंकर में कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं, तो आई थिंक गो क्लासेस का जो नंबर है, जैसे 2025 में सीएस की अगर मैं बात करूं, सिर्फ सीएस की, तो टॉप 100 में 16 गो क्लासेस के कंप्लीट कोर्स स्टूडेंट थे। अगर ऐसे आप हर कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट के अगर कंप्लीट कोर्स स्टूडेंट की बात कर रहा हूं, टेस्ट सीरीज नहीं, अगर आप हर कोचिंग के कंप्लीट कोर्स स्टूडेंट कितने थे टॉप 100 के अंदर, आप उनसे पूछो, आप उनसे ये डेटा लो कि हमें डेटा दो कि आपके टॉप 100 के अंदर कंप्लीट कोर्स के कितने स्टूडेंट्स थे। वो आपको अगर लिस्ट देते हैं तो उन स्टूडेंट्स को लिंक्डइन पे मैसेज करके पूछो कि भाई ये बोल रहे हैं कि आप कंप्लीट कोर्स थे, क्या आप कंप्लीट कोर्स थे। ठीक है, बात ये ओवरऑल कि गो क्लासेस का जो नंबर आएगा उसके नीचे जैसे गेट सीएस 2025 के लिए 16 लिखा हुआ है, गेट डीए 2025 के लिए 16 लिखा हुआ है कंप्लीट कोर्स स्टूडेंट्स जो टॉप 100 में थे, तो वो नंबर बाकी सबसे मैक्सिमम रहेगा, और आई थिंक वो it will be significantly bigger than all other. So this reason I'm telling you, the reason is all this quality learning and the following the standard resources. Okay, because those students, they are solving the standard questions throughout the year. MIT question, Stanford question, NPTEL question, standard book question, Corman question, Korth, Nawate, Ullman, many questions. Okay.
So ultimately, we only want to say that from our course, your analytical skills will be so improved that if there is a new questions that are coming in gate, you will be easily able to solve that question because of your conceptual knowledge and also with your analytical skills. So you will be getting improved analytical skills, in-depth conceptual knowledge or in-depth subject knowledge for that particular subject or for all the gate subjects, and obviously you will be getting top gate rank. So this is what you will be getting from our course. And also I think I can say this, that go classes is the only platform where the students are cracking their interviews. So after after the interviews are over, we get many messages that sir मेरा ये IIT बॉम्बे का, IISc का, IIT मद्रास का ये इंटरव्यू क्लियर हो गया, ये हो गया. एंड आई थिंक गो क्लासेस के स्टूडेंट्स को कोई दिक्कत नहीं आती है इंटरव्यू क्लियर करने में. द रीजन इज द इम्प्रूव एनालिटिकल स्किल्स, इम्प्रूव द कंसेप्चुअल नॉलेज. If you ask again, if you ask any in any IIT, if you ask their students, those who has come after cracking the interviews, okay, अगर आप केवल उन स्टूडेंट से बात करोगे जो इंटरव्यू के थ्रू जिन्होंने एडमिशन लिया है, उसमें तो बहुत सारे मेजॉरिटी मींस मेजॉरिटी विल बी गो क्लासेस स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, कोर्स स्टूडेंट्स तो डेफिनेटली विल बी देयर, बट कोर्स में लेट सपोज 100 स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर, तो हो सकता है 100 में से मेजॉरिटी माइट बी लेट सपोज 10 और मेजॉरिटी माइट बी 12. बट आफ्टर द इंटरव्यू हु आर कमिंग टू ज्वाइन दोज कॉलेजेस, राइट, अगर आप उनसे पूछोगे जनरली इंटरव्यू के बाद एक कॉलेज में 7 या 10 स्टूडेंट्स रहते हैं, लेट सपोज 8 to 10 स्टूडेंट्स. इफ यू आस्क द 10 स्टूडेंट्स दैट विच रिसोर्सेज यू हैव फॉलोड, they might not be the go classes complete course enrolled student, but they might have prepared from go classes for their interviews, especially the linear algebra course, which because that course is our free course, so they might have prepared from linear algebra or some other free course, or they might have taken some individual course. So interview के बाद आने वाले students का number तो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, because you will be getting the improved analytical skills. Now let us just tell you that what are our expectations from you. See, till now we have just told you that what we are providing, what are the features, right, and what are the improvements that we are going to do this year, all the things about our efforts. Now let us also tell you that what are our expectations, because ultimately we want, like, we are also interested in getting you top rank, right? So let us discuss that our expectations also. Definitely, we want you to be consistent. We want you to solve the questions that we generally give either as a homework or as a practice set or the weekly quiz in the weekly quiz form. So homework means it could be in the any form, weekly quiz or test series. So we want everything to be done in time. Obviously, you might be lacking. Okay, I'm not saying you will be the perfect one. You might be lacking somewhere some things here and there, which is fine. But you should be putting your best efforts. So this is our expectation, and we also want you to give the regular feedback about the course, so that we can also give you the better learning experience. So these are the, I think, nominal expectation that we should be having, because ultimately we are mutually interested in getting you top rank.
See, from our side, we will put our best effort. We will improve much more than we did last year. Okay, as I told you, every year we will keep improving. Okay, we will keep giving our best. But on the other hand, you should also give your best. Okay, ultimately, if you want to become a topper, according to the rank you want to get, okay, according to that you have to study. If your target is all India rank 1, if your target is single digit rank or top 100 rank, then your effort also should be according to that. Okay, if your effort is, let's assume, only for top 5,000 rank, if your effort is according to top 5,000 rank, then how will you get top 100 rank? Okay, so just first you have a clarity in your mind, what is your goal, which rank you are targeting, and then according to that rank your efforts should be. If you want top 100 rank, then study like a top 100 ranker. Okay, the top 100 ranker will be consistent. The top 100 ranker will, give his or her best every day. Remember, on different days your best can be different. Some day you can study for 10 hours, maybe on Sunday. On weekend you can study 10 hour, 12 hour, maybe 8 hour. On some days maybe you can study 2 hour, 4 hour. Okay, there will be some day, let's assume you are sick or there is some urgent work and you are not able to study. That's fine. consistency does not mean that every day you study for 8 hours. No, consistency means that are you giving your best on that particular day? Okay, I'm telling that on different days your best can be different. Okay, on Sunday if you are free, that is a holiday. On any holiday your best you should give, maybe 10 hour, maybe 8 hour. But on a working day, if you are preparing with job, if you are preparing with college, okay, so on the working day maybe you can spend maybe 4 hours, maybe 2 hours, maybe 6 hours. So you should give your best every single day. कंसिस्टेंसी डज नॉट मीन कि हर दिन 8 घंटे पढ़ रहे हो. कंसिस्टेंसी का मतलब है हर दिन आप अपना बेस्ट कर रहे हो. उस दिन का बेस्ट अलग हो सकता है, उस दिन आपका बेस्ट अलग हो सकता है, उस दिन मेरा बेस्ट अलग हो सकता है. ठीक है, तो आपको अपना हर दिन का बेस्ट देना है. सिंपल सी चीज. बहुत स्टूडेंट सचिन पूछते रहते हैं कि सर कितने घंटे पढ़ूं जिससे टॉप रैंक आ जाए. तो भाई अगर मैं आपको बोल दूं कि रोजाना 6 घंटे पढ़ो टॉप रैंक आ जाएगी, मान लो मैं आपको ये बोल दूं, तो अगर किसी दिन अगर आपके पास में मान लो हॉलीडे है और आप 8 घंटे 10 घंटे पढ़ सकते हो फुल फोकस के साथ, तो क्या मैंने बोल दिया 6 घंटे, तो क्या आप 6 घंटे पढ़ोगे? ऑब्वियस सी बात है कि आप चाहोगे कि यार आज के दिन मैं 10 घंटे पढ़ सकता हूं, हो सकता है कल मैं सिर्फ 4 घंटे पढ़ पाऊं. तो भाई उस पर्टिकुलर दिन अपना बेस्ट दो. ठीक है, कंसिस्टेंसी का मतलब ये होता है. कंसिस्टेंसी का जो ग्राफ है वो ऐसे नहीं है कि एकदम बिल्कुल एकदम कांस्टेंट ग्राफ हो गया. जब हम कंसिस्टेंसी वर्ड दिमाग में आता तो ये लगता है कि ये कांस्टेंट ग्राफ है ना, एक्स एक्सिस के पैरेलल में, है ना सचिन. लेकिन कंसिस्टेंसी का मतलब है एकदम ऐसे ऐसे फिर ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे, मतलब हर दिन का जो बेस्ट है वो अलग हो सकता है. अलग अलग लोगों का बेस्ट अलग हो सकता है. कोई स्टूडेंट है जो कि हर दिन 4 घंटे पढ़ के भी टॉप रैंक ला सकता है. कोई स्टूडेंट है जिसको 6 घंटे चाहिए. कोई मेरे जैसा होगा जिसको हर दिन 8 घंटे चाहिए या 6 घंटे चाहिए. मतलब एक होता ना कि कुछ लोग, वो सबका एक पोटेंशियल अलग अलग है, सबकी प्रीवियस नॉलेज अलग अलग है, सबका एनवायरमेंट अलग अलग है, सबका कैलिबर और आई कैन से कैपेबिलिटी अलग अलग है. तो आपको ये देखना है, आपको सिर्फ टॉपर को नहीं देखना है कि टॉपर तो यार 4 घंटे रोजाना पढ़ के टॉप रैंक ले आया. हो सकता है आप 2 घंटे में ले आओ, है ना, हो सकता है आप 6 घंटे में लाओ. तो बात ओवरऑल इतनी सी है कि अपना बेस्ट देना है. ठीक है, ये कोई भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम है, ये अगर आप अपना बेस्ट देते हो तो आपकी जो चांसेस हैं टॉप रैंक लाने के वो इंक्रीज हो जाते हैं. जितना बेस्ट दोगे, जितना अच्छा एफर्ट डालोगे, जितना कंसिस्टेंट एफर्ट डालोगे, उतने ही चांसेस बढ़ते जाएंगे. with every bit of effort you are getting closer to a top rank, you are getting closer to your aim of your top college, whatever is your dream college, you are getting closer to that. So these are our expectations from you, and let me tell you how you can enroll. So you can visit goclasses website, or you can download our app. We have Android app, iOS app, so you can download our app, or you can visit goclasses website to enroll. You can see, if you visit the goclasses website homepage, this is goclasses.in. Okay, on the homepage you will see these buttons. You can see, if you want to enroll for gatecse complete course, you can see this is the button, gatecse. If you want to enroll for gateda complete course, this is the button. If you want to enroll for gatcs plus da combo, then this is the button. Okay, so you can see all these buttons you have on goclasses homepage. If you are preparing for PGEE 2026, you can enroll in PGEE course, and this is the test series button. Okay, remember 2027 test series will launch in March. Okay, so right now if you want to enroll for 2027 test series, then just wait till March. Okay, and if you want to enroll for individual courses, then this button you can click. You can see this button. If you click on this button, then individual courses you can enroll. Okay, if you click on this button, then our public telegram group you can join. It is our public telegram group, you can join it. Okay, if you click on this button, you can download our app by clicking this button, download app. These are the free courses. If you click here, you will get all the free courses for gatecse, for gateda. Okay, so and on this button you will get our test series, weekly quizzes, their schedule. Okay, so these things you will get. So basically on the homepage all the things are available. If you have any doubt, any issue, you can put a comment under this video. We will let you know, we will resolve it. You can see this is our app. We have Android app, iOS app. You can download from the Play Store or from the App Store. You can search goclasses on the Play Store, on the App Store. You can download our app and you can use it. The goclasses public telegram group, The link is in the description, or as I told you that you can go to our website and you can see this is the public Telegram group. Okay, you can click here to join our public Telegram group. So join this public Telegram group, goclasses public Telegram group. It has more than 14,000, around almost 15,000 gate aspirants. So it's a huge community. Okay, so you can make use of it. So join it. Okay. Okay, let's come to the most awaited, that is the discount code.
So, like this is the most awaited slide, and many students has already asking in the live chat, sir, what will the discount? What will the early bird? So this year also we are providing you the discount as we have also provided the last year. Okay, so the discount will be 15% discount on our any complete course that you want to purchase. If you want to purchase Gate DA, then 15% discount. Gate CAC 15%, and also on the combo course 15% discount. So this discount is applicable only for first 200 learners, which are combined learners. It's not like for Gate CS individual 200, for Gate DA individual 200, for Gate CS plus DA combo individual 200. So it will be otherwise 600 in total. It's not 600 in total. It is first 200 combinedly, right? So whoever is using this code is applicable to any of the complete course. Whoever is using this code, number of the total usage of this code, the moment it is automatically fixed in our website, the moment it is touching 200, the code will stop working. So basically the code will get expired. So for first 200 learners only we are providing the early bird offer, which is applicable right now for first 200 learners. Currently we are not keeping it the last deadline that okay it will be applicable till let's suppose 15 days, 20 days, like that. We are not keeping any deadline. We are just saying that okay, as long as we get 200 learners, we will make it expire. And if it is like too much request or something, we can, okay, if it is like let's suppose 200 learners are coming so fast, and suppose there are like many students are requesting that okay sir, can you extend this, then we may consider this. But currently the decision is for only first 200 learners. The code is goclasses 15, as you can see from here. You can apply this code. This is early bird discount. Generally we do not provide other discounts, okay, in throughout the year. Generally we do not provide other discounts. We generally provide only one or two discounts in the throughout the year. This is the very first discount that we provide, and we do not promise that later on we may or may not provide any other discount. So you can make use of this. Just take the proper research, okay, which coaching you want to join. If you are very much determined, okay, and if you're very much sure that you want to join go classes, then you can make use of this code, and you can little bit save your money. Okay, you can basically avail this offer.
So let me tell you that please don't miss it. If you are thinking, if you are considering go classes for your gate CS preparation, for your gate DA preparation, then please don't miss it. Okay, because it's not like that we will keep providing you this discount every week. Okay, so it's not like that. Okay, we provide this early bird discount, and once this early bird discount expires, then there will be no further discount. So please don't miss it. Okay, if you are thinking that go classes is the right platform for you to prepare for gate 2027 for CS or DA or combo, then please make use of it. Okay, so, and some students are asking in the chat also, so let me take some doubt. One student is asking, sir, I have enrolled in the gate DA complete course, can I upgrade, can I upgrade to gate CS plus DA? Yes, you can do that. For these type of request, please send a mail to us. Okay, you can do. If you have enrolled in our CS complete course and you want to switch to CS plus DA combo course, then you can send a mail to us, and you just have to pay the difference amount and you can upgrade. Okay, so basically this, for any this type of query, remember, okay, for example, let's assume you have enrolled in our test series and you forgot to enroll in the weekly quizzes. Okay, for the complete course students, weekly quizzes are free. But if a student is not complete course enrolled a student of go classes, then let's assume you enroll in our test series, you forgot to enroll in the weekly quizzes, and you want to enroll in the weekly quizzes also. Then in this type of situation, then please send a mail to us. Our email ID you can find on the go classes website homepage, contact@goclasses.in. This is our email ID. Just send a mail to us and we will help you. Okay, So this is the promo code. You can see goclass 15. Okay, you can see GOCLASS 15. So please make a note of it. Okay, actually you don't even have to write it, because when you visit the goclasses homepage, okay, and when you click on gatecse, gateda, gatecse plus da combo course, when you are making the payment, then automatically this 15% discount will automatically apply for the first 200 learners. As Sachin already told you, that it is not for first 200 CS learners. No, it's overall CS or DA or combo, overall total 200 learners. For the first 200 learners, this code will automatically apply when you make a payment. Okay, when you make a payment on the checkout, automatically it will apply. Okay, otherwise you can apply it. If it does not automatically apply, then you can apply it the code we told you, GOCLASS, go class, not go classes. Okay, go class 15, go class 15. Okay, but it will automatically apply. You don't have to remember this. Okay, and once the code will be used by 200 students in total, then automatically it will expire. We don't have to do anything from our side. It will automatically expire. So please make use of it as early as possible. Okay, so don't be late, I can say. It's only for first 200 learners. So you can see 15% discount for first 200 learners. Okay, actually let me tell you one more thing. Actually this 200, this value we have already put when we generated the promo code. When we generate the promo code, there is a column, there is a row basically, which is maximum uses of this code. There we have already put 200. So please don't take it like don't टेक इट लाइक ग्रांटेड दैट ओके कि ये ऐसे ही बोल रहे होंगे. ऐसा नहीं है. जब हमने प्रोमो कोड जनरेट किया तो उसके अंदर वो नंबर हम डाल देते हैं. मैक्स यूज के अंदर 200 डाला हुआ है. ओके, सो प्लीज डोंट मिस इट. ओके, सो स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशन राइट अवे. ओके, एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. And to join the private Telegram groups, after enrollment, send a mail to us. Okay, once you enroll in gatecse or DA or combo complete course, then to join the to join the private Telegram groups, you can send a mail to us. Okay.
We will about the orientation session, as you are having the doubt. So orientation session timing and the dates we will notify in the private Telegram group, because once you join, then only you can see the orientation session. And now once you enroll, you will be added to the private announcement Telegram group, and there we will be also telling you the timing and the dates of the orientation session. You can for now you can consider it to be like around 20th of February, 20 to 25, somewhere in between that. So we will be telling in the private Telegram group, and there we will be also having the link of the orientation session. So you can join the orientation session after the enrollment.
If you enroll in our complete course, let's assume today, then it's not like for the next 10 days you don't have to study. You start with our, if you are enrolling in the gatecse complete course, then you start with our discrete mathematics course, you start with our engineering mathematics course. Okay, these will be the first courses that we will have in the schedule. So remember, every year in Go classes, mathematics is always the first course to start. We always start with mathematics. Okay, we don't go in a random order. For the last 5 years, always the mathematics is the starting point of Go classes. Okay, we are not going to give you some random order and then tell you that okay, this random order is actually good. No, we are not going to do these things. We have never done this thing. Always mathematics is always the starting point of Go classes. So if you enroll today, then for GATE CS students, I am saying that your starting point is discrete mathematics, engineering mathematics. But of course, if you are a repeater and if you want to follow your own sequence, then that you can do. Remember, okay, you can use our course as a self-paced way. Okay, according to your strategy, according to your sequence, you can use it. But if you want to follow our schedule, okay, the subject sequence that we will follow, if you want to follow that subject sequence, then in that subject sequence, the first courses will be mathematical courses only. In GATE CS, the first courses will be engineering mathematics, discrete mathematics. In GATE DA, the first course will be linear algebra. Correct, Sachin?
Yes.
Yes. So in GATE DA, the first course will be linear algebra. So start your preparation right away. Orientation session we will conduct after the GATE DA exam, after the GATE DA 2026 exam. The orientation session we will conduct near around 20 February, okay, 20 or 21st February. We will conduct the orientation session where we will tell you all about the roadmap for the next 1 year till the GATE exam, till the GATE 2027 exam. But don't waste a single day. Don't wait for a single day. Okay, start your preparation right away. Stay ahead of our schedule. You can stay ahead of our schedule. Okay, whether you follow your own schedule, your own sequence, or if you follow our schedule, our sequence, then also you can stay ahead of our our schedule. This is what I'm saying. Okay, so don't waste a single day. Just keep going.
So we will also provide you the daily schedule and the weekly schedule. Well, daily schedule means like we will be providing you that okay, in this week you will on this day you will be watching this lecture. You should be like this will be our suggestion. Obviously, you can follow your own schedule, but we will also provide you the daily schedule. That will be like we will provide the format in the orientation session. Okay.
Actually, Sachin, एक chat में अंकित मोंडल he got last year he got all India rank 900 with third year.
Okay.
Ankit. So this message, let me pin this message actually. So let me pin this message actually. So this student Ankit Mondal, whose message I have just now I have pinned. Ankit got all India rank 900 with third year. Last year with third year with Go classes. He prepared with third year with Go classes. He got 900 rank. Now this year with final year also we are expecting that he will get even better rank, a top rank. But this comment he has made, you Sachin, कि सर सबको बोल दो. हाँ, हेलो सर, टेल द स्टूडेंट्स कि स्टैनफोर्ड और प्रिंसटन की डिग्री यहाँ फ्री है. एक्चुअली ये सेम फीडबैक आई थिंक
काव्य ने दिया था.
काव्य ने दिया था.
हाँ.
काव्य गर्ग, there is a student Kavya Garg, he got all India rank near 200. Okay, basically near 200 he got all India rank and he got admission in IIT Delhi. He gave this feedback कि सर बर्कली की डिग्री फ्री है. हाँ, कि सर गो क्लासेस वाले बर्कली की डिग्री फ्री दे रहे हैं. और अभी अंकित मोंडल इन द चैट ही इज सेइंग प्रिंसटन और स्टैनफोर्ड की डिग्री यहाँ पे फ्री है. Because you will be solving those questions, you will become very, I can say, very habitual of solving this type of quality questions. This is what I'm saying, because as I told you, your analytical skills, problem solving skills, they will improve. Okay, that's the whole target, that's the whole purpose. So daily schedule, weekly schedule will be provided to you in the orientation session. We will tell you all about it. Now you can enroll. The link you can find in the description. You can enroll in Go classes Gate CS complete course or DA complete course or CS plus DA combo complete course. The link you can find in the description, or you can visit Go classes website or app and you can enroll there. And you can use the promo code for the first 200 users. The promo code for 15% discount, Go class 15. Okay, that will automatically apply. This is our combo complete course. Remember, Gate CS plus DA complete course combo, that is also there. Okay, so if you want, you can join this also. Okay, on the Go classes website, you can enroll, or you can enroll for individually. I can say only for CS complete course or only for DA complete course. That also you can enroll. If there is any query, any doubt, any confusion, if you are facing any issue, if you want to upgrade your course, if you want to upgrade your test series, anything, if you have any request, okay, basically whatever issue you have, please make sure that you send a mail to us. Okay, this is our email ID, contact@goclasses.in. I want to tell very clearly that if you are going through some issue, maybe you want to extend your course, you want to extend, maybe you want to upgrade your course, you want to switch your course, you want to do something. Okay, basically, or if there is any issue with accessing weekly quizzes, if there is any issue with accessing test series, any issue with downloading our lectures in the app. Okay, in the app you can download our lectures in the app offline. Okay, offline you can download, जैसे हम YouTube पे करते हैं, on YouTube also, on Netflix, on the Prime Video. Okay, you can download the movie offline, right? So similarly in our app also, you can download the lecture offline and you can watch it. if you are facing any issue with any such thing, then please send a mail to us, it will be resolved. Okay, don't hesitate, don't keep the issue with yourself. Okay, don't keep asking in the random telegram groups, in the random WhatsApp groups. Don't do that. Just send a mail to us for any issue, for any doubt, for any request, for anything. Just send a mail to us, very simple. Okay, our mail team is very active and they will resolve your doubt very quickly. Okay, so this is our email ID, contact@goclasses.in.
So this is just one picture that our student has sent us. So this is one iconic building, IISc. IISc, one of the oldest building I can say. This building is more than 100 years old, and this is called IISc main building. Many of the gate aspirant even put this picture as their wallpaper, or in their mobile wallpaper, or the desktop wallpaper. So just just some nice picture that we wanted to share. Okay, nothing more than that, but yes, this is really a nice picture. So if you are excited, then let us know in the comment. We will be replying to every comment. We know that you have been hearing us for a long. Now, if now you might be having your doubts, you can just let us know in the comment. One of the question that someone has asked, that sir, will all the lectures will be in the English? Yes, all the lectures will be in the English. We don't use Hindi. If there is some Hindi words that we have used, then we again tell that the same thing in the English also. Okay, so everything will be in the English. You won't be facing any difficulty in terms of the language barrier. Like if there is any Hindi statement that we might have used, then we also immediately tell the same thing in the English.
See, our technical sessions, our technical lectures, they are only in English. No Hindi, only in English. Okay. There are, I think, only one, two lectures where some Hindi statements were used. Okay. But those lectures we will replace. Okay. Don't worry about it. In those lectures also, after the Hindi statement, English statement has been told. But those lectures we will replace. Don't worry about it. Okay. Let me tell you that all the lectures, all the technical lectures of all the subjects, all the weekly quizzes solutions, everything technical that we do, that will be in English. But if we are taking a mentorship session, then we talk according to your language. If someone asks us in Hindi, we reply in Hindi. If someone asks us in English, we reply in English. Okay. If you don't understand English, we will reply to you in English. Sorry, if you don't understand Hindi, we will reply to you in English. Okay. Our complete DA course, our complete CS course, our all the lectures, all the technical lectures, weekly quizzes, solution, test series, solution, everything technical that we provide, that is only in the English language. No English, no Hindi plus English, no Hindi, only English. Okay, very simple. So one student is saying that, sir, I'm about to enroll in the course, but just tell me one thing, the course will be in English or Hindi? So the course will be purely in English. Okay. Anyone has any other doubt? So I think from our side, whatever we wanted to tell you, we have already told. So let us know in the comments after this session is over. Let us know in the comments, are you excited? Let us know in the chat also, are you excited? We are very excited to start our 2027 journey. Remember, if there is any query, if there is any doubt, any question, just share your doubt, your excitement, just share with us in the comments. We also want to read your comments. We will reply to your comments. And we are looking forward to see you all in our GATE 2027 batch. Okay. Throughout the preparation for 1 year, we will be together. There will be many mentorship sessions, live sessions for compact course, for practice, for GATE PYQs, for weekly quiz discussions. Okay. A lot of things we will do together. A lot of new weekly quizzes we will solve together. A lot of practice we will do together. It will be a 1 year journey together. Okay, so start your journey as soon as possible. If you are watching this video in the later month, maybe in the month of March, April, May, June, July, August, September, if you are watching this video, let's assume in July, if you are starting your preparation in July, then also get started with Go classes. Okay, now remember, the course length is not a issue. Okay, we have resolved it. We have already existing for compact courses. For new compact courses, we are bringing two by Sachin sir, two by me, and you can see overall this length issue we have resolved. Okay, by the end of this year, you will share your experience with us, and I'm very sure that you will say that, sir, this year has been fantastic and it was all worth it. Okay, this type of feedback we get every year at the end by our enrolled students. Of course, there are many things to improve, we will keep doing that. Okay, we already know what are the areas to improve. For example, in the terms of test series also, there are areas to improve. In the terms of weekly quizzes, in terms of doubts, in terms of summary, basically compact courses, there are many areas to improve, I agree. Okay, we will keep doing that. Okay, every year I and Sachin, we sit together, we make a plan that okay, these are the things we will improve, we will make our course better. Okay, this course, let me tell you, this go classes, this course, everything that we teach, this is basically our child, and we just want to make it better, make it better, make it better. We keep planning, and we keep putting our effort, and every year as the time is passing, we will put more effort from our side. We are expecting the same from your side also. Okay, you should also put consistent effort. Be with us, study with us for maybe 1 month, for 8 months, for 6 months, for 5 months. Okay, depending on when you are starting your gate preparation, depending on that, whenever you decide that I want to prepare for gate 2027, immediately start with go classes and prepare consistently. Put your best effort, we will also put our best effort, and together let's get a top rank in top 100. Let's make sure 25, 40, 30 students from go classes complete course. In 500, let's touch the number of 100. Actually 60 to 75, these numbers we have touched. Okay, in gate 2024 computer science, in top 500, 75 plus students were go classes complete course students. So in top 500, 75 plus number we have already touched. Okay, 62 plus number we have already touched. But this is our dream also, that one day we can tell you that in top 500, 100 students are go classes complete course students. That number we also want to touch. This is like our goal also. We are also working for that. Okay, I think when that, I wish that that time comes when we touch the 100 number. Okay, but it will be a huge celebration that in top 500 we have 100 complete course students. So please help us make this true. If you are joining go classes, then with your efforts, with our efforts, please help us make this true. 75 plus we have already touched. So हम ऐसा नहीं है कि ये कोई बहुत ही फार फेस्ड नंबर है. It's not something impossible or imaginary. जब 75 प्लस स्टूडेंट्स जब कंप्लीट कोर्स के जब 2024 के अंदर टॉप 100 के अंदर आ सकते हैं, गेट सीएस 2024 में आ सकते हैं, तो 75 प्लस से 100 पे जाने में इतना भी कोई मुश्किल चीज नहीं है. ओके, so we can achieve it. Let's achieve it together. Okay, so I am very excited for the next 1 year. We will do a lot of hard work, I can say. Okay, maza aayega.
Yes. So also many of the students are basically when they start their preparation, they get the confusion कि सर कैसे start करूँ, कहाँ से start करूँ, and कितना पढ़ना है, कितना नहीं पढ़ना. There are many sorts of confusion that you have. I would suggest only one thing, that is you start with one of the subject that you really want to start with, which means whatever the subject is most comfortable with you. Okay, or whatever the subject you find most easy, or whatever if you have not studied anything, then whatever the subject you find relevant. Okay, or definitely you can follow our schedule. Just start with one subject and study for next 15 days, 20 days. After 20 days you will be getting the first hand experience of gate preparation. Okay, then in 20 days you will get answers, most of the answers of your questions. Like your question is that, sir, how to study, how not to study, and whatever the common questions that you are having, just start your preparation. And for next 15 to 20 days try to remain, okay, consistent. Try to work as hard as possible, then automatically all of your questions will be answered. So don't get puzzled, don't get the confusion कि सर कैसे start करना है, कहाँ से start करना है. कोई भी सब्जेक्ट उठा के आप बस पढ़ना चालू कर दो. देयर इज नो सब्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ स्टडिंग. यू जस्ट स्टार्ट स्टडिंग, ऑटोमेटिकली योर क्वेश्चंस विल बी आंसर्ड कि कैसे पढ़ना है, कैसे नहीं पढ़ना. ओके, so as Deepak is also saying, we will do our best. We also want you to do your best, and ultimately we are really dreaming that most of our students get into top 500. Most of our student, those are serious aspirants, right? Obviously. So we want all of you to get top rank based on your hard work. So don't regret later कि सर मैं पहले स्टार्ट कर देता या ऐसा हो गया इस साल वैसा हो गया. Like don't regret later. Just start your preparation now and do your best. We will also do our best. This year we are really very determined to make many changes. Only the major changes we have shared with you, but behind the scene there are many other changes that we have in our mind. Okay. So wish you all the best, everyone, with your start of the preparation. And we really wish that you do your hard work, because if you are doing your hard work, then automatically you will be getting the rank. Okay. So thank you everyone for attending the session. We hope that this session was informative, not only in terms of our features, course features, but also in terms of the motivation. So it was kind of mixed session. So thank you everyone.
Actually, Sujit is asking same doubt again and again. So Sujit, as I already told you that for this type of doubts, you can send a mail to us and we will resolve it. Okay, so this is Sujit.
Yes.
Sujit is asking, I am GATE 2026 CS complete course student. I want to extend my subscription for 3 months. What will be the cost? Okay.
So you
please,
can mail
yes,
us. Yes.
please send a mail to us. Okay. All these issues, you can send a mail to us. Our team will resolve. Okay. So, and if you see, you want to extend for 3 months, you can do that. Send a mail to us. Okay. With minimal fees, you can get extension. Okay, for next 3 months. Okay, you just send a mail to us. But if you want to enroll for GATE 2027, if anyone want to extend for 1 year, if anyone of our old student want to enroll for 2027, then please send a mail to us. There is 20% discount for the old students if you want to extend, if you want to enroll for 2027. Okay, and 15% early bird discount is there. Once this early bird once this early bird discount offer, once this code will expire after the 200 users use it, then remember there will be no further discount. So please make a use of it. Okay, immediately, as soon as possible, when you are watching this video, immediately you enroll. Okay, you make use of this discount, early bird discount. Okay, so thank you everyone. That's all from our side. This is course launch session. There are some major changes we discussed. Okay, and very excited, we are very excited, and I hope that us together, we achieve the dream result that we want to achieve. Okay, so thank you everyone. That's all from my side. Thank you. See you in the lectures, see you in the orientation session, see you in the mentorship session, see you in the live session. For the next 1 year, you are going to see a lot of me. Okay,
Thank you everyone.
thank you all.